Hey everybody, I know I gotta make a new link. I know. Don't judge me. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Of course I'm running behind as always, but
Morning, Alyssa.
morning. Oh, I like that energy. Woke me up real quick. Okay, hold on. All right.
I got it needed since I'm on my way to work.
Oh man, we gotta get you out of that job. Come on, where the hell is my chart that? All right, guys, hold on. Let me do
Rise and shine, wakey, wakey, exit, wakey.
Exit wakey, for sure. Disable. Ooh, how do I do this? Dude, I'm trying to figure this shit out. All right, okay, cool. Let me get the chat out so I know what the hell I'm talking about. Did anybody trade London last night? I saw that it was like going off.
I did. I traded and
I always know you're trading Eris. I always know you are.
No, not really, because I didn't do London the entire week last week.
That's impressive. And, I'm very impressed.
No, because I just wanted to sleep. But but when Shauna got on, number one, well, I think what was it? She got on at midnight LA time, so it was like 3 a.m. for us. I'm so used to seeing the trades being thrown out at like 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning by her, but but this time around when she dropped the signals, I went ahead and I put them in, but something just fell off, and I woke up this morning and only one out of the 4 that I took actually went TP. Everything else is still red.
From Shauna's London.
I've got a testimony. I put in Tradera's trade last night. So the people who aren't in Tradera, y'all are missing out on bags because my shit smacked.
Period.
Yeah, that's smack. Dude, their trades are fucking, yeah. I did too. Yeah, I was testing it out, and their trades was smacking. I put in about 4 of them already, and back to back. Like, yeah, shit's fucking crazy.
Really cool.
It's nice. I know, and I put it on the air. I know. Alexa, play techno on the
You put in the trades were in the chat room with the trade alert?
Yeah.
All right, guys, hold on. I'm gonna make my coffee real quick. Y'all handle business. Give me like 5 minutes, okay?
James. Sideways, James. Am I tripping or is he not there? Yes, have it on HFX playing around. trying to figure it out because that shit is stupid insane, you guys. It's extremely amazing to be able to catch bags, not one way, not two ways, but three ways. Pilar and Lele, this is our time to close our eyes, to rest our eyelids, right? Because real people don't sleep, we just rest our eyelids. Okay, I need to shut up now. Right. Oh, hey, Alyssa. I love you.
Well, hey guys, what's going on? I'm back. Okay, cool. Yo, all right. Let's go. All right, happy Tuesday, everybody. I feel really good about today. I don't know about y'all, but I feel really good. But yeah, so dude, whoever's with me at Tradera, y'all, we are just hella fucking active. Like, I'm still not fucking done with what I've been doing for the past 48 hours. So it is crazy. I hope you guys, I know it's been hella hectic, but I'm slowly but surely getting there, guys. So just bear with me. Let's just get through this New York session today. Let's get through the high frequency live trading today. And then after, it'll be completed, right? But let's go ahead and do our daily agenda. Oh, wait, what? Optimize, no, high quality, there we go. Yo, I need my motherfucking coffee. Okay, cool, let's go. All right, let's check, Chanel. Can you be fair? Can you give her water, please? From the fridge, thank you. All right, let's see. 5:30 manufacturing sales for the Canadian dollar. That's gonna come out right now. Cool, hopefully it's green. Euro got some really good green news. Economics, sentiment that is higher. Awesome. USD doesn't really have any import prices. Empire State Manufacturing. I think that's probably gonna be good. I haven't seen anything that's gonna say otherwise. Industrial production. So from 5:30 to literally for 6:20. So basically for a whole hour. We have USD news. Nothing major. We still got to keep an eye on it though. NZD, we solid. We ain't got no thingamajiggers. Okay, we don't have any I cannot talk right now. Red folders. All right, let's see what's going on in the amazing world. TikTok relying on Trump to back off original demand to sell U.S. business and approve Oracle deal. Oh, so TikTok is leaning to Oracle. That's really good. Oracle's obviously a part of US 30. So, okay, nice. So that's really good. So that's really, really good news. I know tomorrow we have obviously Chairman Powell speaking, right? I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday. So we do have to be careful with that. We also have the positive news dropping, right? Regarding what was it regarding yesterday? Remember we were saying that we have a good and a bad? Whatever, we'll figure it out right now. Okay. That's really good for TikTok. Thank God. So they decided they wanted to go with Oracle. So is that say Oracle or how do you pronounce that name?
Oracle.
Right? Why did I say Oracle?
No, you said it right.
Right? Like, so
I'm smart girl.
Yeah, right. I was like, am I reading that shit right, or am I like literally, like seeing three things? But yeah, so I'm just glad they finally, because yesterday I said they need to choose exactly who the fuck they're going with, right? And thank God they did. That just confirmed it. So hopefully they, figure that situation out so we can go ahead and obviously buy the hell out of fucking NAS, right? Stock market live updates. Dow futures up 200. Big tech rebound continues. Apple rises another 2%. Yesterday, literally during London, everything just skyrocketed. It literally came back up. But I feel like, honestly, how many of you feel like we have a good 2% day, and then a 200-point day, and then it drops next day, and then we have a good basically 2% day, and then it drops again, right? Like how many days we had that for the past week and a half, right? Where it was a really really good day, and next day there's sell-offs, right? And then we had we had a bad day flapping.
I hate that when it happens.
Yeah, that's exactly what's been happening. So I'm like, okay, today's a good day. Yay, we're up 200 points, right? But then literally once we get into trades, something fucking sells, and then we're like negative 400 points. And then tomorrow we're like, oh, we're up 200 points. You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck, man? Yeah. But today we're up 200 points. Obviously they're saying that NAS actually is rebounding from previous fall from Apple. Apple's getting its shit back together. Oh, that's what it was. Told you. Apple. Remember that Apple's dropping their news. Right?
Yeah, the buys.
Yeah. So that's what we talked about yesterday. So that's obviously creating, chaos in a positivity way. So that's cool. So at least we know that, long term, obviously, all green. Everything's green, guys. Dow Jones is green for the day. S&P is green for the day. NASDAQ is green for the day. Oil is green for the day. So looks really good to me. When we do high frequency Forex, right? When we read this news today, right? NVIDIA, NVIDIA, yeah. Right. NVIDIA, Amazon, and the rest of them are actually, things that we should look at, right? When we're trading high frequency, right? Because we can trade high frequency 24/7. Hey, dude, I'm so happy. I see some of you guys all trades. I know some of y'all already funded your accounts. You are fucking ready for today's live, right? Because their shit was smacking yesterday, like fucking stupid ridiculous. Coronavirus live updates, global deaths rising, how pandemic affects energy markets. There really hasn't, swear, it's 24. Yes, Matt, yeah, high frequency 24/7. You can shoot on the weekends, you can shoot any time of the day. It doesn't have to be day. Yep.
Are you gonna have like a live like this? Like how you have this New York live session? Are you gonna have one for HFX?
Yep, my partners do. If you guys are with Tradera, they host a live right after me from 9 to 10, and they show you obviously how to trade high frequency, and they call out live trades. Yesterday there were 3 for 0, and people made.
Yeah, but are you gonna have it?
Yeah, am I gonna have it? No, I'm not gonna have it.
Oh, no, you're not gonna do it.
I haven't mastered it yet. I mean, I could show you guys how to use the basics, but I haven't mastered it yet to where I need to do a live. They're teaching me slowly but surely. But once I do, I will do a live. Yeah. But by then, my thing will have to be obviously private, right? Because it won't be by Friday. But yeah. It has evolved. Coronavirus hasn't really had any really good. No negative news, right? No positive news. We just have basically the same constant, flip flop, right? Good, down, or up, down, right? So I kind of feel like it's stock market, like it's up, down, up 2 points, up 3 points. You know what I mean? So really nothing that I think is really going to affect the market today. It has evolved beyond a cost center to become the backbone of business. Yeah, that's something that we really worry about. Stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market. We already read that. IEA cuts 2020 oil demand forecast. Sees treacherous path ahead. This is something we got to worry about. You guys see how the difference between IT has evolved beyond a cost center compared to IEA cuts 2020 oil demand. Big difference, right? Obviously, you have cuts, that's negative, right? Oil, obviously, we know that's going to affect it, right? A demand, obviously, and treacherous, it just killed it. That means it's going to be a sell, right? That means there's issue with oil, obviously, right? There's a demand for it, and they're cutting it, right? So obviously, and it's due to coronavirus, right? So this should, by reading it, you should already know, okay, obviously that's negative news for oil, right? So oil obviously would probably be, a sell, right? That was 2 hours ago. Let me see. Tips for investing during the volatile times. U.S. China. is underway, but complete divorce is almost impossible. Still, disagreeing with China. What's new with there, right? Tesla's up today. Apple's up today. What's the biggest one that we would trade? TikTok hits 100 million users in Europe, and experts expect more growth. Oh man. Marketplace. No, 5 things no before the stock market opens on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and read that. Wall Street tries to build on recovery from last week from the Apple sell-off, right? U.S. stock features were pointing to further gains at Tuesday's opening as the Federal Reserve begins its 2-day September meeting. Optimism towards a coronavirus vaccine sparked a broad market rally Monday after last week's declines. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is US 30, right, was up 327 points or 1.2%. The 30 stock benchmark also closed higher Friday. That's cool. Obviously, we're still up, right? I'm like, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, right. Then she's gonna fucking drop today. Like, yeah, yeah, I know. But I don't believe you news. I'm just reading you for the fuck of it. Yeah, I know. The S&P 500 was up 1.3% on Monday. The Nasdaq led by a bounce in tech stocks after last week's rout. Was the biggest winner of the day. Nasdaq was the biggest winner of Friday, right? Up 1.9%. Apple shares, which gained 3% on Monday, rose again in the pre-market ahead of the tech gains, or the tech giants. Virtual product launch event Tuesday afternoon, right? Which is today, right? We got Apple dropping new shit. So buy Apple, trade Apple, high frequency, Apple, guys. Fucking trade Apple. Does everybody understand that? Yes, Joanna, Apple stocks are a buy. We should. I mean, everybody was buying when they were, doing the whole sell situation. You buy low and you sell high, right? So everybody's gonna be selling by the end of today. So today probably won't be a good day to actually buy the stocks, but to trade the stocks, yes, girl, right? Tuesday afternoon after the stock market closes, FedEx is set to report the fiscal first quarter earnings. So that's really good news, right? This here is good news. It's telling us that we were in a shithole. We came back, and now not only do we come back, but we actually have a release on the Apple, the one that actually had us, have that setback, right? So you got basically two positives that trying to cover a negative that this thing created, right? So it's kind of like Apple apologizing, right? So that's really good for us. Fed on hold until 2023, according to CNBC survey. Dude, every time I see his face, I just get nervous. Do you? Like every time I see his face, I get nervous. I'm like, Powell, yeah. Powell? I'm like, oh my God, what did he say? Yeah. In the first CNBC, or what is this for? Let me see. Hold on, let me read it real fast, see if it's important. In the fact, CNBC Fed survey. Since the Federal Reserve announced its new police strategy, respondents new force no interest hike. Right from the central bank in 2020, the results are potential for a sign of the Fed's new strategy on inflation and the okay, nothing that we really need to worry about that's gonna affect us today. The IEA code. This is the oil, guys. Oil. The International Energy Agency on Tuesday cut its forecast for 2020 oil demand growth, citing that citing what it calls a treacherous path ahead due to weakening market sentiment and an surge in the number of coronavirus reported cases across the global United States. U.S. prices have lost more than 25% in value this basically past year regarding the pandemic. Business lockdowns in the spring and the uneven reopenings in states that saw the new spikes in cases, keeping consumers off the roads, right? So basically, because nobody is driving, nobody's using their car, nobody's buying gas, like prices had to go down, right? And prices goes down, but yet they're still expensive purchasing them. It's obviously we're having issues, right? Obviously, there's going to be issues there. The IEA reports comes after OPEC on Monday cuts its own forecast for oil demand growth in 2020, citing a weaker than expected recovery in India and other Asia countries. So obviously, this means that oil is going to sell, right? that means that oil is not in a hot position to obviously be in an uptrend, right? Does everybody understand now how you're starting to read the news, how certain things point, get your eye and say, okay, this is negative. This is what we trade. This is what, is related, right? Oil we trade is related to negative news, right? NASDAQ, SPS, US 30, right? We're going and rebounding from what we lost last week, right? We're in an uptrend. It's positive. We got good stuff coming out. Yeah, Robert. I was saying, a lot of people don't know how you read the news when it comes to indices, right? How you guys put them together. So when you guys read the news, you got to understand, what is going to be, everything's important, right? But you got to understand, what do we trade? We trade SPX, we trade all indices, right? But here in the U.S., we trade SPX, US 30, and NAS, right? So anything that is relatable to US 30, SPX, and NAS, that's what you have to focus on, right? So when they're telling us that, hey, you know what, we're having a really good recovery when it comes to, the NAS, US 30, and SPX, obviously that's good information, right? We need to know that, right? If it says, oh, yeah, we're up, more this week than last week, that's good news. We need to know that, right? If they're saying, oh, you know what, tech's going to have a massive drop in technology today, we need to know that, right? So by knowing those three things, we know already where the market's going to go, right? We already know kind of where the momentum is going to be, right? We're going to have more buyers today than we are going to have more sellers. Are we going to have sells? Of course. Are we going to pull back? Of course. We're on the 15-minute, right? But for the day, obviously, we're up, right? Because we're in a massive uptrend, okay? So obviously, we all know in a day chart, there's multiple tiny pullbacks, right? Uptrends and downtrends on the 15-minute, on the lower time frames. So when we're reading news here, you need to kind of filter out what doesn't matter to you right now and what does, right? We got to kind of put the pieces together in the puzzle, right? So obviously anything that regarding the indices obviously applies to us, right? So we just had positive news on our indices. So now what we're doing, okay, cool. I got that information. We have 3 positives on every indice. That means obviously we're going to have more of a buyer momentum today, right? So now I already know what to look for. And then now that I'm scrolling down, I see what second caught my eye, right, is the fact that oil, right, is having issues. The fact that nobody's driving anymore in their car, right, because obviously we're all homebound still, right? That means nobody's purchasing gas, right? When nobody's purchasing gas, right, we're still purchasing it from obviously other places, right? Obviously at a set price, right? So if we're not using the oil, and we're buying it, it's creating issues. You know what I mean? So it's saying literally that there is treacherous waters, right? There's issues here. So if it literally telling you treacherous, we know that's a negative word, right? If we really see, if they're telling us they lost more than 25% in this past year, right? That's an issue, right? That's a red flag. So when you're reading that, we already know sell on oil, right? Sell on oil, because we literally have negative news on oil, right? Does that make sense, guys? So now we know we have positive news for indices, negative news for oil, okay? So then you kind of keep going down and you kind of just, start to filter out the news, right? What makes sense, what doesn't make sense, what you could use, to kind of, maybe maneuver your trades, basically I said before, kind of the puzzle pieces, right? So see, Gates says coronavirus vaccine unlikely before election. So this obviously is going to keep the market at that uncertainty, right? So by reading this, right, we've all been waiting for vaccines, right? In the beginning, it was yeah, buy. Vaccines coming, amazing, let's go. We're going to take this shit down and da-da-da. All the hype, right? And then weeks later passed. Apparently Russia had one. They were going to drop it a week, and then they didn't drop it. And then, and then they said that they were testing it only on their people. And then after their people, they found out that we're testing on animals. And then somebody else was like, well, I have a vaccine. And somebody else was like, well, I do. Now everybody's having a fucking vaccine, but yet nobody's actually putting it to work, right? You have some people that are testing it right now. They're being basically lab rats and stuff like that. But yet not one is ready yet, right? Not one has really done anything, right, to the actual virus itself. As of right now, there's word of mouth, but obviously we would have known about it right now, right? If it was actually working. So, when that news popped off about 2 months ago, or maybe a month and a half ago, 2 months ago now, everybody was that's when the stocks were high, right? It was a buy, uptrend. It was positive news. We're finally about to get coronavirus, situated, right? And then time went on, 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 and then on, and we're still fucking going, right? And there's nothing going on. So this is why the market is just like this. literally, if you zoom out of your charts, you would see that the market literally has been in the consolidation area, right? You zoom in, we caught those, moves in the consolidation, right? But the market is literally like this. I don't know if any of you guys have coming out. I don't know if you guys have been on your charts or not, but if you guys have noticed your charts, they're all either at the mama and they're kind of just are in the middle of it, right? Like parachutes are in the middle, indices are all at the top next to mama, right? There's literally there's literally like, a full consolidation box that you can highlight and box that shit out, right? So that is why, because it's uncertainty still. It's kind of just like, just up and down, up and down. Oh, we got a vaccine? Never mind. Oh yeah, never mind. Oh yeah, you know what I mean? So that's what's going on right now. So this obviously indicates to me, great, we're still in a fucking long ass consolidation. Can we break that shit? You know what I mean? That's what that means, okay? Once we actually get that vaccine and it's actually working, shit is gonna be a buy. Shit's gonna be a fucking buy. So be ready. That's why I'm so glad we're getting into the high frequency right now. And that, we made the transfer that we did, because once it does that, like, it's just once that fucking vaccine hits and that news drops, I don't care what time it is, I'm waking every fucking buddy up and we're fucking buying. Right? We're buying on fucking high frequency and we're fucking buying on the fucking charts. We're buying both. Y'all better get 2 motherfucking computers, 2 fucking laptops. I don't know what the fuck y'all gotta do, but we are fucking buying every fucking pair. Okay? And we're gonna fucking make bank that whole fucking week. So just get ready for that, because when it drops, be ready, because this shit is gonna go fucking crazy. Shit is gonna go fucking berserk. Okay? Thanks, Manny. I'm excited for that. I can't wait. I want this shit to be over with. I'm trying to get paid. I'm trying to have a good ass fucking Christmas. I'm trying to buy my house by the end of the year. I'm like, yo, vaccine, where you at? Where you at, vaccine? Let's go. I need you right now. You know what I mean? But yeah, and obviously, Bill Gates has been on it. He wants his name on that shit, right? It wants to say Gates on it. So he's working, like hella fucking hard. It's either him or that fucking Tesla dude, right? Or fucking Amazon dude, right? So they're all just fucking like, I'm gonna throw this much money, I'm gonna throw this much money, and we're gonna see, whose name drops on it, right? And then obviously we buy that motherfucking stock, right? So there's so many opportunities. Do you guys understand that? Do you see what happens? What one thing can lead to so many opening doors, right? It's just crazy, right? One thing leads to another. It's like a snowball effect, but in a positive way, right? If Gates does it, Microsoft, right? Obviously, Amazon does it. Amazon, right? So let's see what happens, right? It's just honestly waiting, and there's really nothing that any of us could do. We just read the news and we just kind of, trade that news, right? So this is, it's good. It's not bad. It's kind of like, okay, a continuation of what we've been going through. We survived for this long, so fuck it. Let's just keep it pushing. As long as they're saying, okay, no vaccine, then obviously that's a situation, right? But nah, we're good. We're good. TikTok relying on Trump to back off original demands. TikTok, honestly, like I said yesterday, until they really close that deal, it's still gonna be like teeter-tottering like the market. It's really gonna just keep, NAS kind of in that lingo, just up and down. I don't really think it's gonna affect NAS that much to where we have to worry about Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. Those are the shit we need to worry about. Right, TikTok is probably like a small Facebook, smaller than Facebook, I believe. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it's news, right? But it hasn't made like damaging news, right? Positive damage or negative damage, right? So, we'll see. Other than that, that's a wrap. Let's go to Market Watch. Fuck, our coffee. I'm gonna let James talk to you while I go get my fucking bowl of black milk. I will be back.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Oh shit!
Doing amazing. Good morning, James. Sideways, James.
God.
Sideways motion. That's all love, James. How you
Sideways motion.
So this is how we mute all, right? We go here and then we just push that. Oh, there it mute all.
Dang.
Oh, like that?
Do it again. I dare you. Do it again. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I like fucking with y'all. Y'all so cool. But yeah, I was looking at charts. My bad. She was talking, so I'm not sure where she left off. But yeah, let's get it. Morning, Pilar. How y'all doing, man? I'm actually gonna go right to the charts. Sorry, if that's okay with you guys.
Can you ever go over the website, the Trevera website, by any chance?
Yeah, we can. Well, let's do that later because I know not everybody on here is a Tradera later. Tradera first member, but we'll do that with you. If anything, we do it one-on-one with you.
All right, for sure.
Oh, yeah, I'm having a team meeting after, guys. Yeah, I'm having a team meeting after.
Yeah, we'll have a team meeting after and then basically go over the site.
Go over everything, answer all your questions, so make sure you guys write it down.
You got it, right? You heard her? She loud, so I know you heard her.
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out how to navigate that website. It was like, I don't know if it was my phone. It wasn't opening up on Safari. And then it was opening up on Samsung Internet, though.
Nobody check the website until I'll go over it.
Yeah, the website is not that crazy, but yeah, I understand. I sometimes understand. And it's going through some changes right now. Like
a lot of changes, guys.
Yeah, it's doing a lot of upgrades and adding new shit. So right now, if you're having a hard time logging in, don't worry. I did too. Just keep trying. Every now and then you'll get in. But right now they're doing a lot of upgrades, so it's just like messing the system up for a little bit. But other than that, we're all good. Oh.
Got my copy. All right, guys. Yeah. Don't touch the Tradera website until we go through it. I want to make sure I answer all your questions. And honestly, yeah, we'll talk about when we have a team meeting.
Yes.
All right. Cool. Let's go. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't want to talk about anything because I have not changed the link yet. So let's do this. Oh yeah, what was it on? Duh. We didn't even 118 is the fuck I'm talking about. All right. Let me see. Option. What's happening now with M&A is going to make today's stock investors wish they sold sooner. This was yesterday's news. Today's not the 12th, is it? No, it's not. It was yesterday. Yeah, what the hell?
15. Oh, it's the 15th.
3 days ago.
I know. What the fuck?
It's my birthday in a month.
It's your birthday?
In a month.
Are you going to Vegas? Oh, in a month.
Yeah.
When?
October.
October what?
14th.
Oh my God, Noah's birthday's 11th.
Bro, I told you.
Oh my God.
Oops.
All right, where are we going?
Hey, cousins.
Yeah, where are we going, right? That's what I'm saying.
Team trip?
Yeah, huh? Yeah, Vegas. Kid wants to go to Vegas. I'm like, fuck it. Thug life.
You want to take the baby to Vegas?
Ain't that where D's based?
Devon?
Yeah.
No, he's not here.
Oh, word?
Yeah, he's in Pasadena.
Oh, me and Jihad thought he was in Vegas.
No, we have a team. We're going to Vegas this weekend. Yeah, he bought a suite. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Who's we?
Huh? I think it's open for. I know. I got to talk to him about it. He just announced it last night on the leaders meeting. But yeah, he bought a suite and yeah. Oh, and not to, wait, is it this weekend? No, I'm going to Atlanta this weekend.
Ooh, shit, girl. Fuck yeah.
We're flying to Atlanta to meet the CEOs and everybody.
Nice.
I announced that on the team, but I totally just fucking blab my mouth. Anyways, back to trading. Okay, guys. Insider markets. Obviously, Dow Jones is still up. S&P is still up. Nasdaq is still up. Gold is still up. Oil right now is currently up. EU is currently up. Remember, these guys. These are the days. Okay, these are the days. Okay, not the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Let's see. China retail sales rise the first time this year in August. That's really good for obviously the yen, guys. Right? That's really good for the Nikkei. As the world's second largest economy recovers from the pandemic. That's good news. Do you guys understand how, as y'all can hear, we're not playing. Yeah, right? Y'all can see, like, this is positive news, right? Positive news. China retail sales rise, right? For the first time, right? This year in August. And it's the world's second largest economy recovers from the pandemic. That's 4 positives in that complete little paragraph sentence, whatever the fuck you want to call that shit, right? I didn't graduate high school. Don't judge me. Okay. But yeah, obviously that's good news, right? Dropped 3 hours ago. UK unemployment near 2-year high. What happened?
No, it says squad.
Yeah, exactly, right? UK unemployment nears 2-year high in July as pandemic claims $750,000 jobs since March. Like, yo, like this pandemic is killing everybody. That's just crazy. That's why I love what we fucking do, guys. I love what we do. And to see that people are still so close-minded on what we do, it's crazy. There's just so many people who just don't like change, right? But change is good. Yes, Christian Atlanta. The S&P 500 will climb another 6% in 2020. Like, I remember, what was it, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, when I said it's going to still go up? Remember we were talking about it? This just confirms it, guys. They said that, yes, you're going to have that 10%, 50% fall, right? But it's going to keep going up, right? It's going to keep smacking that mama, or to keep making a new one, and keep making a new one, keep making a new one, and floating in thin air. But it will come to an end, guys. It will come to an end. The bubble will fucking pop, right? But we're literally saying it's not going to happen probably until like maybe, what did I say, February last year? I don't think it's going to happen until like maybe February or March. At least the beginning of the pop, right? We're going to pop and it's just going to go like, right? The S&P 500 will climb another 6% in 2020 as fundamentals recover ahead of expectations. JP Morgan says, right? Fundamentals are what? What are fundamentals? News, right? No, Will, you're good. Don't worry, handle business. I'm just glad you didn't leave us forever. I'm glad that you are still with us for sure. Don't worry about it. Never. Yes. But yeah, so again, like obviously everything's already up. Let's see. In Dow Jones, American Express is up. The Boeing Company airplane is up. Apple obviously is up. United Health is up. That's awesome. Visa's up. Caterpillar, Walt Disney, Chevron, Coca-Cola are all down. These ones really don't have a massive effect, right? We're worried more about Apple. United Healthcare is a big one. Boeing's a big one, right? So this one's obviously carrying the US 30. Let's check. Good morning, Pilar. Hey, good morning, Pilar. Good morning, everybody. Let's see. Kohl's is up for S&P. Tapestries, up. Post Hotels, PVH. Nothing really. These are all like, basically like wonkers. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, they're positive, which is good, right? But but they're like hella fucking positive. Kohl's supposed to be going out of bankruptcy, guys. Kohl's supposed to go bankruptcy. They're literally closing their fucking doors like 3 months ago. Who knew that? Did anybody hear about Kohl's closing the doors? Look at 9.5%. Or up today, 9.5%. Like, where the fuck? They said bankruptcy? Bitch, you got me fucked up. They said, nope, we ain't going bankrupt over here. Like, this is the strongest stock right now here in S&P regarding like the mini stocks, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. Hey, Adam. Hi. Yeah, that's crazy. They said y'all got me fucked up, right? Everything else is, pretty good, but these percentages are actually really high. That's actually really good for S&P. So S&P's obviously on buy today. Tesla up, 12.5, almost 13%. Real good. That's real good, guys. She's been like what, 3%, 4% for the past like 2 weeks. So for her to fucking call, triple that, that's awesome. Guys, definitely watch out for Tesla. Like I've been saying, right? Alphabet A, eBay's down, Netflix is down, Dollar Tree is down. Netflix, eBay obviously has a big thing on Nas, right? So it looks like Nas might be on the 15-minute. We might be a little bit on a rocky start, right? It might be a sell in the beginning, guys. But Tesla has a lot of power right now. So maybe this massive positive might, outgrow these negatives, right? Let's see what happens when she opens up. I think today, for me, I feel like, we're going to just wait to see where the market goes because of Apple's dropping, because of, the news. I think we're going to wait till it opens, see where it goes, and then try to catch the trade once the market corrects itself, right? I don't think jumping in today is going to be a good idea. I think it's going to move hella fast, one massive candle or two massive candles. If it stays that way, obviously we're going to jump in like we did yesterday. And please pull out in blue. Please pull out in blue, guys. Please. You guys, we were all on a fucking roll yesterday. It was amazing. Everybody was dropping blues. I hate to see some people or majority of people win and then a small group of people lose. I hate to see that because it makes me feel like a failure and I don't like failing, right? I don't like doing that shit. So, when I say, guys, pull your blues, just fucking pull up. Does everybody understand that? Does everyone understand that? Pull your shit. Yo, pull your shit, okay? I'm telling you, just pull it. Whether you're up $1, $2, right? You yes, you can always get back in a pullback, guys. You can always get back, okay? But don't get a pullback just because the candle's red or the candle's green on a downtrend, right? Get in a pullback when you see that it's still in an upward trend, right? Because if you still don't know that, right, that means we have to hop on a 101, right? That you guys can tell the difference. Because if you guys hop on a pullback, right, at a rejection zone, and you guys don't know that, a respected area, you guys, what happened yesterday? That bitch fell, right? And when I got off, I said, hey guys, we're all blue, go ahead and take your blues, right? Some of you guys didn't. That fucking bitch fell. She did a fucking complete 180, right? And took majority of your fucking profits, right? This is what I say. Just take your blues. Take your blues. Everybody would have been up. I want that day where everybody has no fucking losses. I'm still leaning for that day, and it's gonna fucking happen because we're all gonna learn from our mistakes. We're all not gonna be, I wouldn't say greedy, but we're all gonna know when we're happy with what we do.
No, listen, we're being greedy.
What happened?
I think we're being greedy.
Yeah, but it's okay, like when we get excited, it's okay. But to do it constantly every day, you're never gonna see an end result on Friday, right? To do it in Monday because the market open, we're fucking popping and we're hot and we're fire, I get it. But to do it again today, tomorrow, and Thursday, and then Friday, you're not learning a lesson at that point, right? It's a repeated pattern that you guys need to go ahead and knock it off, right? You're only hurting yourself. Okay, because then you get discouraged, right? Then we lose momentum, and then we don't want to do this no more. And then it's like, oh fuck, it's everybody else's fault, right? So in the beginning of the market, on Mondays, I get it. We're excited, like I said, you know what I mean? But nip that shit in the butt real quick. That was a wake up call for everybody who didn't close in blue and who wanted just to go ahead and hit that TP one. Remember, I told you guys, it's not about hitting TPs, right? We love to hit TPs, don't get me wrong, but it's in trading, it's not about TPs. It's about earning profit. It's about building your account to pay your bills, right? It's not about hitting TPs. Okay, guys, so please express yourself and literally tell yourself, we don't need to hit TPs. We like when they smack, of course we do, right? Because we get a lot of profit. But when you're in blue and you see the market was already, yesterday the market was kind of very slow, right? When you see that, do not risk it. That is a red flag saying, hey guys, the market's hella fucking slow right now, and I'm giving you some bags, but I'm not giving you all of me today, right? That's a red flag where you guys just take your fucking blue and call it a day, right? You guys are still trading after 2, right? You guys are still trading after 10. And what happened? Whoever was trading after 10, I know some of you were pipping dipping, which obviously is always a good thing, right? But for those of you that kept trading after the market, after we ended our live session, what happened? What happened?
Lost money.
You lost money. Right. And what do I tell you guys every day? What time do I trade every day?
5 to 10. Yeah, only New York live.
Right. 5 to 9 I trade, right? And then if I have trades open, I'll let it run out until 10. By 12 o'clock, I'm out of the motherfucking trade. Profit or not, right? I'm not going to hold over because anything can happen when you hold over for the 3 hours that the market's closed, right? From 1 to 3. Anything can fucking happen, right? Do you want to close hella negative? No, but if you're going to close negative $1, $2, $5, $10, just fucking close that shit out and fucking call it a day. Don't risk, a massive candle jump that you're going to be negative 50 when the market opens, especially with indices, right? So guys, please, I know we're excited to trade, but stick to your fucking trading plan, okay? Stick to your trading plan because my account is still up. I didn't blow shit yesterday. I'm still hella up, right? And now all of you, we have to start over like it's fucking Monday.
I ain't blow shit either. Don't come for me.
Yeah. Hey, Layla, I got you, boo. You know what I mean? But yeah, for those guys, discipline. Follow your plan, right? I don't need you guys to follow me, but I want you to follow consistency. I need you guys to follow your plan, right? Because at Friday, I need everybody to go ahead and pull withdrawals. Everybody needs to withdraw. I don't want anybody to say, oh, I have to pull my account. Or can I trade, with, like $15, $20, right? I need everybody to just know when enough is enough. And sometimes enough is more than enough, right? Does that make sense? So, exactly. Thanks, Pilar. Know your accounts, okay? Know what times you are not trading. I don't care if fucking Tom, Dick, and Harry are trading. They're making a fucking $100 out to you, right? You may not have that lucky streak. You may not be as lucky as them at that moment. You jump in that same trade, right? Right after, because you seen they're making money, right? You jump in a fucking second late, you're probably fucked. Right, guys? So just be aware of your account, okay? Enough of that. Okay. So moving on to most traded today. Tesla, obviously, we're at fucking almost 13%. Apple's next. American Airlines. Not bad. Tesla and Apple, as always, right? They're always like the leaders. Either they're both negative together or both positive together. Like they follow each other, right? But dude, Tesla's hella up. Like that's just stupid ridiculous. Yeah. 203 and 190. They're hella up. Dow Jones is up 203, Nasdaq is 190, and S&P's 31. So, yes, exactly. I like that. Oh man, I like that. Okay, Bloomberg. Let's honestly do. I like how we have so many fucking news, news platforms that we have to fucking read because none of them are all fucking the same, right? They all have a fucking like different shit. First of all, who was out trading high frequency last night? Who could not go to sleep? I couldn't sleep. I was tossing and turning all night. Who was up playing with that fucking stupid ass robot thing? Who was on their demos or their lives last night?
I think Jihad was.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Still is actually.
Posting this shit on Facebook. I mean, on Instagram. I was like, y'all fucking beast at that. Y'all gotta master that. Bill Gates wonders whether FDA can be trusted on a COVID vaccine. UK insurance ruling. Businesses make deeper cuts, right? UK, what does that mean? Obviously, that's affecting indices, right? The UK 100, right? And Euro. UK is also part of the Euro, right? So Euro 50, you have UK 100, Germany 30, what other ones? The France 40, right? All that is falling in that category, right? So this is negative news, right? So we know those indices are gonna, obviously, have an impact, right, when the market opens. Total holiday spending seen rising this year despite COVID. That's good. Total holiday spending seen rising this year despite COVID. Right? So they're saying, okay, you know what? US 30, SPX, and NASDAQ, get ready to buy during the holidays. Usually, I don't know if you guys, how long some of you guys been trading, but during the holidays, it tends to slow down, right? The market tends to slow down. So I think it's going to slow down this year. Honestly, I didn't expect this year to do anything that it fucking did, right? Like, we haven't had this shit. I never traded before. I've only been a trader for 2.5 years now, a little bit more. Last time this happened, this massive shit show was in 2008 when the market crashed, right? And I wasn't trading then, so I don't know what to expect, right? But I claim things too. Oh my god, you're so funny. Oh my god, Chris number 2. Yeah, we got too many fucking Christians up in here. Like last night, I don't know. It's a mess. But yeah, so does that make sense, right? So they're really saying that the U.S. indices are going to be a buy during the holidays. That people are going to put money back into the market. They're going to be spending, right, despite everybody not having a job, right? So you know what that means? This is a red flag for unemployment, right? This is a red flag for everybody who got the extra $300 a week, right? The Republicans and the Democrats are going to be like, okay, cool, y'all want to spend basically the federal money on gifts. You know what I mean? We're cutting that shit again, and then we're all going to do the fucking same thing again. Wait for the fucking, you know what I mean? Like. It's literally a fucking complete cycle, right? So it's a good thing because obviously we can trade indices, but then again, obviously whoever's still on on EDD, obviously is gonna get back to them, right? UK races to fix struggling COVID test system as cases rises. Another one that says they have a vaccine, but yet no proof for it, right? Nothing's really coming out that says that it even has worked even on guinea pigs. They're testing it on hamsters and guinea pigs, and yet not anything has dropped that it's worked. Right? Let's see. Markets, U.S. features, European stocks gain on China. Why is that? Why does the European gains on China? What happened with the news yesterday that we read? What happened? Who was selling what and who was buying what? Let's see if you guys are paying attention. Who was selling what and who was buying what yesterday? Nobody? We have 100 people on this call. Nobody? Y'all don't pay attention. I read. Why the fuck am I reading this shit? Remember, guys, the yen was selling the bank, right? That bank, remember, they're selling it off to the UK. The UK was buying it, right? So I said that. Yeah, remember I said that. So the U.S. features and Euro features, right? They gain, and China on China, right? On Nikkei. Why? because obviously Nikki just sold one of her biggest companies, right, to the UK. Obviously, right? So now we know, okay, obviously UK is going to buy, right? And then obviously Nikki's going to sell. But we also have obviously UK news that's saying basically they're struggling to find COVID tests, right? So it looks like, the UK is kind of be a little today, right? A little like in the iffy side. It looks like, buyers and sellers are kind of going to be like, okay, so, we bought this company, but yet, we just got news that, our economy can't even get a fucking vaccine right? So, yeah, we got to watch out for UK, see if there might be maybe a big spike after dead, right? So maybe we'll catch that spike, pip and dip on that. Let's see what happens. But there's a lot of like, yo-yoing news today. Not good, not bad, not horrible, not super positive. But I mean, for other indices in the U.S., I mean, everything's kind of like I said, just kind of like a teeter-totter, right? Banks snub Fed $600 billion lifeline for Main Street firms. They're trying to put money back into obviously firms in New York, right? Not really that we need to worry about. Citigroup to resume job cuts after pausing for pandemic. Citigroup. That is obviously, a banking system, right? That's a banking system. So if they're gonna do obviously job cuts still, that's affecting what? Banks are a part of what indice? Banks are a part of what indice?
SPX.
I don't even have my notebook. Never mind.
Is that SPX?
Travel, yes, travel is US 30. Banks are US and tech is NAS, right? So that's obviously going to go ahead and affect.
Oh my gosh, my phone!
Right? Everybody pay attention. Big investors are
I
just.
can't hear you. My phone is tripping. It keeps muting you, so I didn't get to hear anything you said.
Am I volleying? I was saying the Citigroup banks. Banks belong to what indice? Obviously, they're in all indices, right? But which one does it impact more?
US 30, right?
Nope. SPX.
Just, okay.
US 30 travel, obviously NASDAQ and tech, right? And the SPX is more of the banks, right? More of the medical field, more of the banks, right? But obviously US 30 and SPX share majority of the same companies, right? But when it comes to hitting it the most, it's gonna be SPX. You good? Okay. Oh, okay. Other than that, let me see what's going on. Auditor EU expresses regret over failures after nope. Property firm, nope. South Africa's ruling party. Ooh, South African rand for all my USD ZAR traders. South Africa's ruling party to reimburse states from whatever the fuck you want to say that name trip. That, I mean, honestly, no, that won't really affect it. That's just letting basically keeping an update on South Africa. That's really gonna. It's not really gonna affect the rand. What? Oh, the rand. So you're good. Tech belongs to which one again? Tech belongs to Brandy, girl. Just kidding. That's my girl there. Brandy belongs. Nas belongs to. The tech belongs to Nasdaq. Nas 100. Technology, right? Travel belongs to US 30. Airplane, anything travel wise is US 30. Anything that tourists use, right? Like the airplanes, the foods, the shopping, S&P is more like banks, more business wise, right? So you do SPX business, right? Tech or NAS tech, US 30 travel, right? So you have best of both worlds. Okay, what? Travel, lodge, spending, all fucking technical and shit. Travel, goddammit, okay? But yeah, does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, notes taken.
Cool. Trump says he wants a 4-hour debate. Oh my lord, I'm not gonna fucking sit there and watch for 4 hours. I can't even watch for fucking like 20 minutes.
That's a stand-up comedy show. What you talking about?
Yeah, I cannot.
Watch it.
They bore the shit out of me. I mean, I will watch it with a glass of wine and I'll sit there and be like, what the fuck am I watching, Alyssa? I could be fucking chilling on Netflix. You know what I mean? But I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. A 4-hour, goddamn, that's a long time, guys. That's a long time. Hurricane Sally weekend as it nears Mississippi River. At JP Morgan, productivity falls for staff working at home. JP Morgan belongs to. What does JP Morgan belong to?
SPX.
Exactly. Yes, girl. Yes. Awesome. Camila Harris sends game on signal to donors.
Yeah, no.
Other than that, we good. We good. I don't really see anything going on today that are just positive and the basic news, guys. So now let's go to charts. I'm so excited. Already for what oil?
No.
Would you listen?
You missed the whole news. We're trying to get him up here. Get in it. He's waiting for the here.
Oh yeah. Oh, rejection. Yeah.
Here,
That whole what minute are you on? 15 minutes?
No, 50. Yeah.
That whole move, we only been on for 30 minutes.
I was watching this before.
Oh, you're on the 30-minute. Okay. Okay, guys, hold on. Let's oil. Why the fuck do I have oil on my screen?
All right, put it there.
I'm just kidding.
My bad. I know you don't like it.
Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's see dollar bills, y'all. See the dollar? Like it's in a consolidation. This is what I was just talking about earlier, right? Dude, my allergies are bugging the shit. Every day my allergies bug me. It's so confused. Do you guys see what I mean? Like literally you could box this full consolidation, right? You could box it. Yes, we trade obviously in it, right? It affects it, right? When we take our trades. But if you zoom out, literally like it's a consolidation. Do you guys see what I'm saying now? It's the same thing I just mentioned, right? It's a fucking nightmare. But yeah, obviously we trade in this consolidation. But this just shows you where the market's at, right? This shows you exactly where the market has been at. A whole lot of nowhere. Oh no, I don't want to delete that.
Fuck.
Oh fuck! What happened? Who we got beat up? Okay, so dollar right now, guys. It's at $93. Dollars with the $93. We are going up, guys. We are at a respected zone. I'm gonna do a little mini zone here. Bam. Right? Dang. Just kidding. Let's see.
Coronavirus.
I'm so done with you guys. We're at a zone right here, guys, right? So it bounced off, right? Created a.
Not gonna lie, that did sound a little Cardi B-ish.
Yeah, that wasn't the one right there.
Oh my god, you guys are so funny. We have a on the 15. I really like using W's, but sometimes you do see them, right? We have an irregular W, guys. An irregular W. So we have a long leg here, right? Came up 50% of the leg, came back down. It's gonna shoot up, right? This is where we enter This is where we enter for a buy, right? We enter on the break of the middle. But so the middle is like way the fuck up here, right? Where is the room that you're gonna gain? Where is the momentum you're gonna gain? Does that make sense? So yes, this is a W that I would trade. Not only did I mark it off, yes, we like double bottoms, obviously for a W, but this is called irregular W. But look at the length of this leg and look at how short. It's 50% of the leg, right? So we could obviously gain a good amount of pips up here. Does everybody see that? This is what we're trying to gain. Okay, so obviously it looks like the US dollar, it will be going up on the 15 minutes. So what does that mean? That means GBP USD, guess what? Was it GCAT or GBPU? GU just sold its ass. And what is GBP? If I say GBP USD, GBP is what? What is GBP?
Great Britain pound, right?
Yeah, but what is its total base?
It's the base.
Right? So if I say that US dollar is going up, what are we going to do with GBP USD?
Sell it.
Yes, girl. There you go. Good job, guys. Y'all fucking paying attention. I love it. I fucking love it. Exactly. And what happened? It just sold its ass right now. Right? And we missed it. But it's all good because there's a lot of other pairs, right? What the fuck happened to my shit? Oh, the Russians. It's the Russians. Hold on, guys. All right, cool. All right, so obviously we confirmed the US dollar is going up. Let's see what the euro is doing. And what is the euro doing? A hot fucking mess, right? She broke the trend line, obviously. And she's kind of going sideways. You guys see that? She's not really, yes, she's an upward trend, but she's kind of just
Yeah, that's definitely looking like a sideways motion.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
I love your smile, Alyssa.
Oh my god, I love it. You guys. Yeah, so I mean she's going up, but you see how it's kind of just going up in like a fucking like a turn, right? So let's see what she does. What is she on right now? She's on a green candle. She does have a lot of gaps, guys. So let me see, but that's just a broker itself. So euro and the dollar are both. Oh my god, I don't like that shit. I don't like that little one. Hold on, guys. Where's my up? No, where's my arrow? Oh, why are these arrows so fucking small? That's stupid. Where's my damn arrows? All right, cool. Okay. So now we know euro and the dollar is going up, right? The yen is probably gonna be. Oh, look at. Ooh, she's at the mama. She's at a resistance, guys. Yes. Yes. Who sees this clean shit? What? Look. Do you guys see this? That's just clean as fuck. Do you guys see this shit right now? This is a perfect flag. Like, this is a perfect fucking flag. If we literally do trend line right now, where the fuck is the trend line, right? And we do this, and we do obviously always to the end, right? Like a flag, and then we do this, bam, right? And then what happens? You guys see this thing? This is beautiful. Watch. Dude, did not break any of them. Bam, 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 bam. Do you guys see this shit? How clean is this fucking flag pattern, right? And we'll go over flag patterns too later on, guys, when we actually want to get our team schedule back up. We're gonna have our own team schedule along with Tradera. But yeah, so do you guys see this? Like, this is insane, right? Oh, I got a stupid fucking repeated pattern thing to go on. But yeah, so ours, we know what the yen is gonna do, right? We know what the yen's gonna. Oh my fucking Jesus. We know what the yen's gonna do in a couple of days, right? Obviously, she's gonna go ahead and hit the resistance. She's not gonna break it, right? Because there's nothing positive about the yen right now. Their economy's hurting. They just sold off a bank for their indices, right? So obviously, we know it's gonna hit here and then it's gonna reject. And what happened? It is going to break, right? If it doesn't break now, it's gonna come back and reject it again and then break. But after a long time, it's gonna break. And when it breaks, it's gonna break, right? So obviously right now it's in a small little uptrend. Not really worried about it. I think. Oh, let me move the alarm. I think.
Listen, it's a possibility. Like, you know how you said it has to touch the trend line 3 times, and then after the 3rd time, normally when it breaks, it's a possibility it can be like the 4th time it touches, and then it breaks.
Possibility of the what?
Sorry. Let me see. I said that, you know how you said when we're like marking up the charts and we do it like on a trend, it's supposed to touch the trend line at least 3 times before it like officially breaks whichever way. It's always a possibility it can touch it a 4th time before it actually breaks.
So it could touch it like 6 times. But if it touches more than 3 times, what does that mean?
That is for sure going that way. Like, that's the trend of it.
No, it means that it is being oversold or overbought, and there's gonna be a massive reversal, right? This is just a flag pattern. So you see here, okay, so it hit it once, right? Hit it twice, hit it 3 times, right? And it didn't break, so it's gonna reject off of here. 4th time, what is it gonna do? Break it, right? So I know that because it's gonna hit it 4 times, it's gonna break. Right? Is it a possibility it could go 5 times? Yeah, it is. But to me, I know that's even a bigger break, right? Because if it breaks here, we're at 94. If it breaks up here, obviously we're a couple of pips more, right? So we can gain more profit up here, right? So the more it touches a trend line, you know, the more aggressive the reversal is going to be. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'll definitely go over the difference for Christian. Yeah, for the difference between a pullback and a reversal. You guys need to know that. I'm gonna drop it in my chat again, the New York and my personal chat. My team needs to know 10 things before they, you know, continue to be on their live accounts. Okay, 10 things before they do chart markups. You guys need to know all of those. If you don't, we need to hop on one-on-ones for the rest of the fucking week. Okay, because nobody needs to sit here in my team and not know what a pullback and a reversal is. They need to know the difference. Okay, because that's how you guys blow accounts, because you don't understand the difference between a pullback and a reversal, and my team needs to know that, period. Okay, so basically obviously we know what the yen is going to do, right? Let's move on to the CAD. Obviously, we know oil is a sell, and when oil is a sell, CAD is a what? CAD is a what?
Buy.
No.
So
It's also selling.
So I'm guessing
oil and CAD are together, right? Because we buy oil from Canada, right? So if oil is going to a shithole, what is the currency doing? Selling, right? They go together. So if I'm selling oil and what am I gonna do with UCAD? What am I gonna do with UCAD?
sell.
No, buy UCAD.
Buy, yeah.
USD base, right? CAD is a quote. So if I'm selling, if CAD and oil go together, right? If I'm selling oil, that means I have to sell CAD, right? So obviously if oil is going down, right? They have bad news. We know that obviously the currency is going to go ahead and most likely follow, right? So we already see, have it pre-marked. Let me delete these lines because they're unnecessary right now. I like the song. Okay, so we have all that one, right? So Christian, you got that with your indexes. Everybody got that with their pairs. US 30, what did I say yesterday regarding the trend line, guys? What the fuck did I say was gonna happen? That she was going to respect it, right? Exports to spot, and what happened? She broke it. Remember, we're waiting right here for her to go ahead and retest the trend line. She was gonna break the trend line and respect the 4 hour, or she was gonna respect our 15-minute trend line. And what the fuck did she do? She respected that shit, right? She respected it. She obviously took a nosedive a little bit after, we got off the live. But at the end of the day, what happened? She came back and smacked all TPs, right? So she literally stayed with all her TPs, right? So in our live session, she broke, right? We got the TPs. And then what happened? She literally consolidated in that area, right? So to me, that means she likes that area. She likes the price between, I can't see this shit. She likes the price between 17,956 and 28089, right? She likes this area. Okay. How much do you need to trade US 30? Honestly, 300 and more. I mean, if you like to pip and dip, you could do it at 200. I mean, honestly, it's all up to you guys, to be honest with you. I don't really want to say 500 because a lot of us can afford 500, and that's honestly, it's a good amount to have in your account, right? Do you need it to trade it? No, you can trade US 30 with $100 and be profitable. It's about, if you know, like I said, a reversal and a pullback. If you know how to enter on a pip and dip. If you know, the confirmation of, the trend. Is it a strong uptrend? Is it a down uptrend, right? So there's multiple things to come into play when you guys obviously are entering trades and calling your own trades, right? It's not just, it's an uptrend, okay, we're going to buy, right? Because what if it hits a respected zone? It's going to be obviously a pullback, right? Which is going to be a sell, right? So honestly, to me, indices, it's all about knowledge and what you know and how you apply it. I don't really think it's more about money, right? If you see your negative $10 or $30, then fucking pull out and then wait for the pullback and get that shit back instead of sitting there and waiting for it to pull to come back up, right? Because then obviously you'll probably blow your account, especially for $100, right? So I'd rather take a small loss than a big loss. So yeah, Andrea, you're on my team, so don't worry, girl, I got you. Don't worry. So that's where we are with US 30. Let me move the trend line a little bit down. I don't like how I made it so big. Jesus. Obviously, we know she's respecting it, right? Let me make sure that she is good. Change her right here. Awesome. Let me delete all this crap so that we have a clear chart, because we all know I don't like the sand lines. What time is it, guys? What time is it?
6:12.
6:12. We got a couple more minutes. Can you go over when to enter TP1? Yeah, definitely. Go over when to enter TP1 and 2 for sure. And then I'll go ahead and do the difference between reversal and pullback. Jesus. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. All right. Okay. You see green box, right? Green box. Strong uptrend, right? You guys see the colored EMA, green, right? Pullback red, right? Green. So literally, guys, who knows their higher highs and lower lows? Who knows that to a T? You guys need to know that. That is the basics of the basics of the basics, right? Everybody needs to know the higher highs and lower lows, like in the back of their hands. Everybody needs to know the lower lows and the lower highs at the back of your hand, right? So this obviously is lower low. We start at the base, right? Lower low. Now it's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Does everybody see that? This one, right? There stairs up. So that's how you know it's in an uptrend still, right? It is not a reversal. Do you guys see that? It is an uptrend. These here are pullbacks.
Alyssa, I do see what you're saying, but like you see the last two that you ticked off, they're kind of shorter than like the first two.
But they're higher.
Even though it's still going up, like from like what I can see, maybe I need to zoom in or so. But from what I can see, like it looks shorter, like just like the little mountains look shorter than like.
It's not about
the first
it's
two.
about the staggering. Are they staggered? It doesn't matter if they're shorter, right? This one is still higher than this one.
Yeah.
So that's all that matters.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh,
right. Yeah.
From what I see, that's what I was saying. From what I see, it looks shorter than like the first two. So that's why I was like.
Yeah, because look at.
I get what you're saying though, but like.
I will put the left here so you can see it better, right?
Okay, maybe, yeah.
Look it. Does that make sense? Oh, where's my fucking line now? Hold on.
Okay, yeah, I see it. Okay.
Right? So does everybody see that? Drop some ones if you guys see that. Okay. This is how you know it's a pullback, right? So you have the lower low. You always start either higher high and lower low, right? So if you have a lower low here, right? Ours was a downtrend, right? Lower low here, and then it comes up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's creating steps, right? So say down here, a big jump, 1 step, 2 step. You're literally climbing up the hill, the mountain, right? And then obviously you're gonna keep going up until what? Until it reverses. How do you know it's a reversal? Girl, let me tell you. Let me tell you, okay? How you know it's a reversal, right? When this right here, this previous higher high has been engulfed by this new lower low, because a lower high is going to be created right here. So what I mean by that, right, is this is how it's going to go. I'm going to go ahead and do exactly what it's going to do, and then I'll go ahead and continue. So here, let me move it over. And then I'll show you guys exactly on the chart what it looks like, right? So we're starting here, higher high, higher low, blah, 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 right? Say it's at a resistance here, and it comes back down, right? Guess what it's going to do? Smack all our TPs again, and then continue on the downtrend, right? Obviously, we know this is higher highs, right? We just went over that, right? This is a pullback, right? When you see them staggered and steps, it's a pullback, right? When you see a mountain, and it's like kind of like a V, right? Like upside down V, you know, most likely it's in the reversal, but you got to confirm that with candlesticks, right? You want to know your third confirmation, not only is it the V, right? But you have a resistance, right? You have the candlestick pattern, and when the new lower high, right, is the same size as the previous higher high. That's for confirmation I just gave you. Does that make sense? I'm gonna say it again. When the new, right? When the new lower, when the new lower high right here, right, is the same size as this one, right? Let me zoom in so you guys see that more. Okay, so if you guys see this, this is a new lower high. Think of it kind of like a mirrored version, right? So when you guys see this one, the same size as this one, right? We know it's obviously a reversal because this here, let me get my thing. This here, let me actually change the color. This here, right, engulfed the previous higher high. Okay, when do we enter for a sell? When do we enter for a sell? I'm going to change the other color. We're going to do pink, right? What the hell? We are going to enter right here, the break, and we catching this shit. Does that make sense? Yeah, I hear echo too. I think somebody's recording us. It's all good. It's okay. I'm not going, hey guys. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all better pay me. Just kidding. But yeah, does that make sense, everybody? Does everybody
Yes.
the difference between the pullback, right? Is it loud? Whoever's recording, can you at least pull it back? I record this one, and then my boy Christian, he goes ahead and uploads it. So if you guys want the YouTube channel, just go ahead and hit him up. Chris, go ahead and wave your hand. But we do charge. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so now you guys know a pullback, right, compared to a reversal, right? So what are the three confirmations? What are the three confirmations it's a reversal? Drop them in the chat. 3 confirmations. What are they? 3 confirmations. A V. Okay, what else? Engulfing previous higher high. Yes. Engulfing. Okay. He raised his hand. I love it. Oh man, breaks the higher high. Exactly. So you guys are all basically the same thing, right? As long as you guys see the upside down V, that's confirmation, right? A candlestick pattern, a doji, a shooting star, a hanging man, a hammer, the black colored cloud, right?
Wow.
You guys see? What are we wowing at? What are we wowing?
My bad. No, look at chart. Sorry.
Oh, I was like, what are we doing? What are we doing over here? Yeah, when you guys see the V, when you guys confirm it with a candlestick pattern, right? And then when the new lower high engulfs the previous higher high, okay? That was very important. When the new lower high engulfs the previous higher high, right? You wait for that break. Just like we do with the W, guys, right?
Hey, Alyssa.
What up?
Isn't there supposed to be a head and shoulders, or is that like for something different?
A head and shoulders is another sign of reversal. So you have an M,
Right, okay,
you have
that's
the
what I
head and
thought.
shoulders, and you have a W. Those are just patterns of a reversal, right? So that's how you'll be able to tell, because you'll catch the legs on those, right? But
Is there a head and shoulder right here? Because I can't really see it.
Oh, no, it's in an uptrend. Uptrend. Okay. I'm gonna mute everybody. When you want to talk, just unmute yourself. But I think there's some people who are pretty loud right now. James said it. He said to meet you guys. James did it.
Fuck yeah.
But yeah, I just hope everybody got that now, right? So let me see if I find that in US 30 obviously did a massive one. So it's not that really good of an example because she's kind of like all over the fucking place right here. So when I see one, I'll go ahead and break it down, right, guys? But yeah, US 30 is a really hard one to do because she's kind of like has massive movement, right? But I'm not. Oh my God, fucking Christian. Okay, so obviously you know she's a buy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and mark her for those of you. So okay, so now we already know that Mama Papa, right? We mark on the charts the 4 hour, but the second step is right head. Find the head of the snake, right? We know right now she's obviously in a strong uptrend. We know that, right? So is she currently in a consolidation? She is, right? But she's in an upward trend consolidation. Does everybody see that? She's not completely sideways. She's literally in an uptrend. Drop some words if you guys see that, right? This is how you're going to mark the charts when it's already in an uptrend, okay? So you're going to get your box. I mean, you don't have to, but you can, right? So you could do the same way or normal way. You're going to box just the head of the snake, right? This is what you're boxing. Obviously, you want to include the wicks. Common sense, right? Because I'm very iffy about wicks, right? This is it. Obviously, you put your buy zone and your sell zone. I'm going to show you 2 ways to go about this, okay? Buy zone and sell zone. Bam. We're set. Now we go ahead and do our TPs, right? For me, once you know how to master your charts and like constantly you guys do your charts and you practice, right? I already know it's in an uptrend. I already know a reversal pattern. I already know if it breaks my trend, it's a reversal, right? I know if it creates a new lower high, I know it's a reversal. I'm going to enter on the sell right here, right? So sometimes you guys will see, okay, you know what? We're going to enter right here, guys. We'll do this break, right? I'll say, okay, guys, we're going to enter on the break, right? You're probably wondering, like, why that area? Why not higher? Why are we waiting, right? Because I needed to break this previous higher high. Drop some ones if that made sense, right? So when you guys, so that's why I say we have to wait, right? Not only is it confirmation that it breaks our trend, right? But when it breaks this line right here, I know that's 2 strong confirmations. It's a strong reversal. Does that make sense? Yeah. We're good. Okay, right? So this is where my line will be. This will also be our stop loss, right? Because she could bounce off of here because of consolidation and then bounce back up, right? Thanks, Autumn. But does that make sense? So yeah, so for me, I visually see this right before you guys go ahead and put this here, because when it literally does a reversal, right? When she literally goes this and then does obviously here and she breaks it, what happened? This is now what? Engulfing this one. And then what? It broke this area. We jump in the motherfucker in, right? We jumping in, right? For a sell, okay? So that's how you guys can tell, right? But so for once you master your charts, you're gonna eyeball this shit. You don't even need charts. Like when I first brought James on, I never had lines on my thing. I never had lines on my chart. I didn't use lines. It was just me just looking at it and knowing what I'm gonna do. What's my next step, right? But now I put lines, and I'm so used to training now. Now I just fucking have lines everywhere, and sometimes it gives me anxiety because I don't know. I'm like, oh my god, right? But you get used to it. But so for me, I would literally say it was my chart. This is how I would mark it, right? Once you go master, I will literally know already what I'm looking for. The break of right here, right? A continuance of the uptrend, right? For you guys, I will literally put it right here above the wick, right? So when she literally comes back down, this is my theory. When she comes back down right here, right? She's gonna obviously retest it. She could possibly break it, but she's gonna retest it. Once she breaks this area, what are we gonna do? Once she breaks this area, what are we doing?
Bye.
Right? Because it's a confirmation, it is still an uptrend, right? And then we're gonna follow our analysis, our chart analysis, our technical analysis, right? Because this is technical analysis, right? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna confirm that with obviously our indicators, a green box, a green colored SMA, and then you have the colored filtered EMA and SMA right here, right? So now I have three confirmations plus the uptrend, 4 confirmations that I'm good for a buy. And then I confirm it 5 times with the Hakanashi, fucking golden. How do you think we smack fucking TPs all the damn time? Well, not all the time, but like 95%, right? How do you think we're always blue, right? Because when you start to understand this, right, it's going to come so easy to you. It's going to be like fucking bread and butter, right? You're just going to be fucking marking your charts all day long, like, oh, it's a buy. Okay, pop in a buy, right? But once you do your charts and you look at your phone on MT4, you're like, fuck, where's my zones? Where's my this? What the fuck, right? It's all like kind of impacted. That's why I highly, you guys suggest, you gave me the cheat code. I know, I'm giving you guys fucking loot. This is sauce, yo. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like no indicators. This is fucking like,
I love this.
Chart reading, right? Yeah, once you guys, mark your charts on your computer or your tablet, it is so difficult to mark it on MT4. Please do not mark your charts on MT4. I know some people really do it and they're good at it. If you are, handle business, right? If you spec TPs and all that shit, handle business, right? But I'm over here killing gold with this right now. Yeah, we'll handle business, man. Yeah, you want to start calling trades? I'll hire you. But yeah, so that's what so that's basically what I would be doing, right? So here, what are we gonna do with US 30? We're gonna do exactly what we're just doing right now, right? Not only are we gonna wait for this confirmation of the extended uptrend, but we're gonna go ahead and mark it up to where obviously when she goes off, we know it's a buy, right? So let's let her retest. Let's let her handle business, right? But what am I gonna do for you guys? Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and put here because it's a reversal. We're fucking selling the bitch, right? For Noemi, shout out to Noemi, girl. You better be on this shit. But yeah. So does that make sense? Drop some ones if you guys understood everything I just fucking taught you. Because that's
wait again. How do you calculate what your stop loss is and what zone you want it to break?
I don't calculate stop losses. I don't do stop losses. If I were to do a stop loss like this one here, it's because it is the break of an area, right? So not only is it's a confirmation that the new lower high is gonna break this, I know obviously when it breaks it, it's gonna be a sell. Right? So I know for a fact my line has to be here, right? Okay. If I put my line up a little bit more, guys, like up to here, right? There's a possibility she would bounce off of this area because of the consolidation. She liked this area a little too much. So I see that and I need to know, okay, no, I need her to break that one. And then once she breaks this break, it's a fucking super break and we're golden. Does that make sense? So can you send this recording to the chat? Of course, yeah, Chris got us. He got this. He got to put on all of that shit. Yeah.
From the break, from the buy zone and like the sell zone, from those zones is where you will calculate the TPs and the SLs, like how many pips those would be.
Yeah, exactly. So for example, it's an uptrend, right? I would obviously we're floating in outer space, right? Floating in outer space. So obviously I would do around the 15-minute. I would do 10, 10, 10, right? Especially on US 30, 10, 10, 10, 30 pips is a pretty good move. Right? You're looking like maybe a couple $100, depending, especially or a couple thousand, depending on what lot size, right? But I would do 10, 10, 10 to be safe. Okay? Because remember, we have no backbone, we have no structure up here. Right? So when you gotta do 10, 10, 10. Okay? if she breaks for a sell, what are we going to use for our TPs? Right? I'm not going to count 10, 10, 10. Some people do, right? That's a way. You know, Christian learned that way, right? He was keeping it safe and doing 10, 10, 10, or 20, 20, 20, right? On his TPs, right? But with me, I do it with levels wise. So guys, this horizontal ray is very beneficial because it teaches you guys. It teaches you. Is it 6:30 yet? It should be, right? The market open. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay. So you see here, you start marking your levels. So you guys can literally eyeball and start getting your eyes used to seeing the levels, the staircases, aka pullbacks, right? Yeah, there he goes. Yeah, Kristen, once I send it to him, he'll upload it. So do you guys understand that now? So here are my TPs. But when I put my TPs, I'm going to edit them to where it's just the candle, the body of the candle, to where there's not this big of a gap, right? Because there will be some pullbacks within this gap, right? Because you see this here, you see this here. So honestly, if I had to move my TP, my TP would be, you know, like up here for TP1. TP2 would be on top of here. And TP3 would probably be right here. Does everybody see that? These would be our TPs for a sell.
Alyssa, I don't really understand the levels, like what a level is. Is that just where the market hits on the trend line, or what? Like, is it a high and low? It's
really all previous higher highs and higher lows. It's all previous trends. That's all it is, right? So what we did? What did we do earlier, right? This is lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. All it is are previous lower lows and higher highs. That's all it is. Your TPs and your levels are always based off of the previous higher highs and higher lows. Always a downtrends and uptrends, right? That's all it is. So here's an uptrend, right?
Are you placing them on the high part or the lower part? Are you placing them on the higher part or the lower part?
No, on the downtrend, it would be the highest part. On an uptrend, it would be the lowest part.
Got it.
All right, guys, let me go ahead and mark this shit. We're going to have a team training, guys, later on today, if you're on my team, and then we'll go ahead and we'll answer all the questions, but I don't want us to miss any trades right now. Let me go ahead and do, all right, let me do this real quick, guys. Do my TPs. Did you mark anything up? Are we looking good on your side?
I'm good. Just everything.
Nothing commodities-wise?
Yeah. Well, it's not doing gold growth, but it's like breaking and keep going back into the zone every time.
Okay.
It's not true. It's all fakeouts right now.
Okay.
You said oil for sale?
Yeah.
Yeah. I might go buy it.
Well, yeah, I'm talking about the day.
Oh, for the day.
Yeah.
I like to go buy it right now.
Yeah, we got that major news, so that's gonna affect it.
The dollar is so fluctuating right now.
Yo, you listening to medieval music back there or what?
I know, right? Alexa,
Ireland.
Change. Oh shit! Oops.
It was good.
Sorry, I was zoomed in. I was zoned out. I was like, oh.
No, keep it.
Bring out. Thanks, Will. All right, guys. So we got US 30 marked up. Germany 30. Let's see what she's doing. I don't really think she's gonna be moving today. We didn't really have much information to go on, right? We have the fact that, you know, the UK bought, obviously, there we go. Breaking news: Dow Jones jumps more than 150 points as Wall Street builds. It didn't even fucking move. What are they talking about?
Yesterday.
Oh.
Yesterday.
Okay. What it says?
It was yesterday. It was about what
it
yesterday?
says on Monday. Yeah, Apple rises. But I don't care about that. I need some shit now. We will keep an eye on Germany 30, guys, but we don't really have anything to really go up. You know what I mean? Like, and the fact that, what is it, 6:30? Yeah, well, right. The fact that nothing is moving right now is literally what we just said earlier, right? The market is still kind of like, right? US 30 got some momentum on her right now, but, you know, nothing that she normally does, right? When she spikes the hell up. Oh, UK 100 is at a resistance area, respected zone, guys. Do you guys see that? She rejected. This is a candlestick pattern of reversal right here, right? Not only is she at a respected zone that she rejected multiple times before, but she also has a candlestick pattern, right? So let's see what she does. And where does she need to break? Where does she need to break in order for us to enter? Where does she need to?
At the last broken zone. Lower.
Or here. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Drop it in the chat. 1 or 2?
2.
1 or 2?
I'm gonna say 1.
1.
1, guys. Which one will we enter on the breakout?
Oh.
1. Because why? Why 1? Because 2 is going to be the second lower high, right? It's already going to create a pullback, and this is the second one, right? Where's the first one? Right here. I need this to be the same level to engulf this, right? And once it breaks, guess what? We're going to enter on the retest. So this is exactly what's going to happen, right? She's going to obviously create, this, right? Here, she's going to break it. What happens? She's going to respect it. This is where we enter. This is where we enter. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. TP smacks. 1, 2, 3. Golden. Golden. Drop some ones if you guys see that and if that made sense to you.
Hey, Alyssa, would 2 be like a good TP1?
What? Yeah, TP2 would be a TP1. Yep. Right? I mean,
Okay.
yeah, this would be a TP2. I mean, oh my God, TP1.
It's okay. I got you. Thank you.
Yeah. Right? So you would put, literally, your, we'll change that color to like this one. Oh my gosh. This one we'll put down here, right? This would be the break. Oh my gosh. This would be the breakout, right? Let's see what Hakanashi say. Yeah, see, look at that. Bam. Ding. Ding. We good, huh? So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens with this candle. We got 10 minutes left. Yeah, so this would be TP1. What happened? Pullback would be TP2. You see this? This is a pullback, right? This is a pullback on what? On the 5-minute, right? Because that wick, there's some action happened on that wick, right? So it's a pullback, right? That's why it's a level. You guys see that? It's a level. You're going to get TP3, and you're going to go ahead and obviously this is too big, right? This is too big of an area. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to see what happened previously. What happened previously over here? I want to go ahead and put it right here, right? Above the zone right here, right? So obviously there's confirmations right here, right? Confirmations right here. Obviously there's confirmation right here, and literally it's like everything, our TP3 has already smacked multiple times. Majority of the time it was wicks, right? But that's what we can have to go off right now because we have more wicks than bodies, right? But as long as it's smacked, that's all that matters, right? But I would rather prefer bodies, but obviously in this particular case, we don't really have anything. So, but we know that there's a lot of activity right underneath it. So I'm not worried about it. Does that make sense? iPhone, nothing has been called out. Nope. Oh. But yeah, okay. So that's what it is. Okay. Let's see. Is there an alarm? No, there's no alarm. Let's see what she does. And then we'll take it from there, guys. I'll go ahead and put an alarm up here just in case, she decides to break on the uptrends. We'll go ahead and mark TPs too, just in case. And we'll go previously, right? Let's go previously, see what's going on. We need to find, some structure to go off of, right? There we go. We found you. We found you. Okay, remember, I remember when this shit happened. Bastard, I caught that shit. Okay. TP1, let me change the colors. Guys. Where's the first level? Obviously, this is too tight, right? So we'll go ahead and, I like this one, actually. I like this one because not only did a wick here and go through this candle, right? One confirmation and went through these 2 candles and it acted as a support in this area. And obviously, all of these candles, right? So I like my TP1. TP2 is going to be probably on top of these wicks and in between this candle. I don't want it too big because if it has a pullback rejection, it's going to reject before it even hits our TP, right? So I'm just going to adjust it a little bit to where it's above these wicks and we know it's going to smack, and then obviously it hit our candle. Ooh, I got, my arm's getting stiff. And then obviously I have to go back to because this is not confirmation. This is not confirmation, right? I need solid evidence. Right? Now I see there's a lot of candles here, right? On the levels, bam, there's TP3, right? Obviously one confirmation, the other one that we just passed, 3 confirmations, and what happened over here? Bam, I'm good. Look at that. Acted as a resistance right here. Damn, fire. Let me go back. Okay. All right. So now we have UK marked up, right? Let's see what she does. Let's check Naz. Naz. Oh yeah, Naz. Let's go, Naz. Yeah, I know. She broke the zone, so we're going to retest it to respect it. 165. Cool. Let's go.
Hey James, isn't it hitting a rejection zone from yesterday's chart on that?
Yep.
Yeah,
Same
that's
chart
why
I gave you guys, man.
That's why it's
Yeah.
more.
Oh, okay.
That's my thing. Yeah, my yellow lines are respective zones, guys.
Did I call it or did I call it?
You called it. You called it. Called it like 10 hours ago.
Yeah, 10 hours ago I called it.
Okay, so this one is broken, guys. So we're just gonna wait and kind of see what she's doing. We got 6 minutes left. I'll mark it up right now. That's why it's very important to have your zones, guys. Always leave your zones on your chart, okay?
Did you mark up SPX this morning, Alyssa?
Not yet, not yet. Oh, you showed them zones? Okay, cool. And what chart do you guys use to find your zones? What chart do you use to find your zones?
4 hours. Okay. 4 and day.
No, chart, not time.
Line.
Oh, line.
Line chart, yeah, line chart.
Well, that's you. I'm still confused on the line chart. You guys give me a little tutoring on
Wait, what? What's this line chart you talking about?
The line chart right here.
that chart. I don't really. It's confusing.
It
to me.
basically shows you the whole movement of the chart.
Yeah, so
Like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Like this
Got
is
it.
this one.
right. So we will move this one up.
You heard me?
You see that? Okay.
Yes, thank you.
We'll go over that too in the trainings. I have a lot of fucking Zoom calls. I need to girl. I'm going.
Had me up all night after saying, let me call you back in 5 minutes.
I know. Shut up, Christian. Okay, guys. Let's see what Naz is gonna do. We have a weak Hakanashi, right? So we got to be careful here. You see how it has a wick on the bottom? We need to wait to see what's gonna happen in 5 minutes to see if the Hakanashi, the next one, would be a strong one or if it might have, a red one. So let's be patient. The market isn't moving that fast, which is obviously going in our favor, right? But then again, obviously we wanted to move hella fast so we could smack TPs and get ready for the high frequency trading, right? Let me see. All right. So I'm just so used to
How do you get on high frequency?
What happened?
How do you get on high frequency?
With Tradera. Our team hosted it personally.
I don't know how to find it there. That's why.
Oh no, we have it. It's ours. It's not on Tradera. Only our team does it. No, only our team. So like Devon and Ricky, the one that hosts the trainings, they're the ones that go live themselves. Just like how I do New York Live by myself, they do that for the team by themselves. But Tradera is actually, I don't know if you guys were on the call, FX call, but I know that Devon did mention that it's about to break. That high frequency will be on the platform as of Monday. Sunday they're dropping it, but Monday it will be on the platform. So that's super fucking exciting. I'm super proud of him for bringing that to Tradera. That's just cool. But yeah. So let's go ahead and wait for Naz. Let me go ahead and mark the sell just in case. Let me hurry up and stop fucking talking, guys. We're trying to smack TP so we can all go back to fucking bed real quick because this shit is killer. My back be hurting when I wake up. Like, god damn, I just went to bed. What the fuck? Okay, dang, TPs. Let's go. I like it a lot. Okay, let's use this previous patterns, previous uptrends and downtrends for TPs, guys. There's another zone up here, right? I gotta actually edit it. There's TP1. Let me move it actually right now. I don't like that first down here, guys. There's not that many kind of confirmations. Yeah, TP2 is fine. I'll be happy with that. And the TP3 obviously is going to be above here. Cool. All right, guys, we saw it. I'm going to bring on top of the zone. All right, guys, we got all our TPs, guys. Let's ready for Naz. Who's ready to fucking trade this bad girl? Let's go. Let's go, Nazzy Naz. We're about to fucking pip and dip on your ass real quick. Purple. Okay, purple. Oh, wait, hell no. I got to put my, oh, there's goes SPX. Did I put my alarms? No, huh? Oh, mandatory. Got to put alarms. Alarms. Okay. All right, SPX. All right, delete this one, right? All right, guys, she's the same thing as Naz, right? We went over on how you mark up on an uptrend, right? So she already broke it, so we need her to retest it, right? She already broke our enter area, right? So we need her to go ahead and retest it. We got 1 minute left, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. My worry is if we enter now and she doesn't come back and retest, when we enter, she's gonna come back and retest. So we gotta be very, very, very cautious on how we enter on SPX and how she moves. If we have strong Hakanashis to come from the uptrend, then we're solid, right? But if we get a weak Hakanashi here, there could be a potential reversal. Okay, so we have to be very careful on what we do right now. You see that? Look at bam. She can reverse right here, right? So do you guys see that? Does that make sense, guys? Right? You guys see how she topped it and then double top, right? Reversal. Okay. If we go in right now for a buy, right? We could pip and dip, right? Me, I don't think it's worth it. I don't. You guys can, but I don't, right? I'm not going to. So if she comes up here and we're in for a buy, right? And some people get in late, right? Then you're screwed. You're going to be negative already to start off the day, right? So this is where patience comes into play. We need to see what she does here, right? If she rejects it, and then obviously when she breaks that, it's a sell. When she breaks the trend line, golden, right? It's golden, right? We can enter a entry up here when she rejects, right, for 1, and then we can enter another entry when she breaks the trend line. Okay. But yeah, so see how she's rejecting. We gotta see, what kind of way she's going. Let's see the Hakanashi candles, guys. Okay, we got a strong Hakanashi right here, so that's good. But we need to figure out what the hell she's gonna do right here, right? We gotta figure out, and she's moving hella slow already, guys. So, to me, this is gonna be like a day like we had yesterday, right? Probably only smack maybe TP1, which is fine, right? Because TP1 always gives us like $20 or $30 on like a fucking 10 cent, right? And we'll fucking call it a fucking day. You guys can pip and dip on the hell out of it. But once it reverses, we're definitely gonna catch that shit, right? So let's see what she does. And then where does our break go? Right here, right? She needs to break this in order for us to go ahead and get in. When she breaks that, right? When she breaks it, she needs to retest. And then we enter here, and she needs to break the trend line. Bam. And then most likely I'll have us enter right here after she respects the new trend line. Here's it's too sensitive. You got a zone and a trend line. She could bounce off and we could be fucked. So you got an eyeball situation like this, right? But the whole play is to go break it, she retests, and then we enter, okay? And good entry points will be right here. Will be right here. Why? Because not only did she break this area, but she broke this area, and now we just have all this from zone to zone, right? We're going to catch that. Drop some ones if that makes sense. Yeah? I'm glad, Alberto. I'm glad you're learning. So yes, we're gonna lose a couple of pips, or a lot of pips. Yes, we're gonna miss some candles, right? But we could pip and dip through this whole thing and then catch that massive ass sell, right? Or me, I don't want to pip and dip right now, especially on a slow market. I like to pip and dip on a fast market because in and out, in and out, in and out. Slow market, you could be negative for a while, and then positive, and then negative, and you know what I mean. So I don't like to pip and dip. Like gold the other day. Yeah, you know what I mean? You don't want to be stuck in a slow market. You want to be stuck in a decent moving market, right? You don't want to be stuck in a fast market because right when you go, you're in profit, like say like $10, and then something happens, you be negative like fucking 15 and you close negative, right? So yeah, so just be very careful. We want the market that knows what they're doing. We want a confident market. We don't want a spazzy market, and we don't want a fucking slow market, right? We want a confident market. We like when the market is like confident, like, yeah, I know what way I'm going today, right? That's what we like. But yeah, so let's just sit here and read the market. We got about a couple of hours before we gotta start our day, and let's just see what we gotta do. How do you do entry point? Okay, how do we do entry point? Okay, so say she broke, right? Let me go ahead and put her back up here. Actually, we could leave her. We'll leave her down here. Okay, so say she broke, right? She broke the buy. She broke it, right? She needs to retest, right, on the uptrend. And when she retests our buy zone, this is where we enter. when the candle turns green, right? So this RC is like green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, right? Red right here. Next candle, when it turns green, you pop an entry for a buy, and then it just shoots up. Does that make sense? Let me put it here. It goes here, right? And then it's going to go through TP1, right? Respect TP1, right? Retest it. Shoot up TP2, TP3, retest TP2, and then shoot up all the way up to TP3, all the way to go up. Does that make sense?
Smoke heavy, bro.
Huh?
You can't smoke?
Smoke?
The fire smoke?
Mm-hmm. That makes sense, guys. Do you have to enter at entry point? So you don't have to. No, you never want to enter. And see, sometimes when they keep fucking going up, you want to, wait for that candle because then obviously you'll lose some pips. But yeah, it's rare that, we would really jump into, a one candle bar because that pullback will be massive and then, we'll get fucked. But yeah, you don't ever want to enter, when it breaks. You don't ever want to enter on this candle when it breaks. You want to enter when the pullback, right? Because you're not missing any pips if she pulls back over here. It's the same entry point, right? But this is just confirmation that she is what? That she is literally, like I always say, respecting the new uptrend. Does that make sense, guys? She needs to respect the new trend. Gold just broke its previous higher high. Does that make sense? She needs to respect the new trend, right? So same with a sell, right? Same with the sell. So we're gonna do the same thing right now. So let me get my drawing board, right? So say she breaks it. Or let me put my TPs first. Right? TP1's here. TP2 would be here. TP3 would be here. Oh, sell gold. Guys, we're calling gold. We're calling the first trade for the today. Sell gold, guys. Gold is busting. Sell gold. Oh, I didn't even drop. We hit 4 out of 4 yesterday, guys. We haven't lost anything today. This week yet. So 4 for 4 as of yesterday. Tuesday the 15th. 1, 2.
Did you say to sell gold?
Sell gold, right? So.
Yeah, I'm selling it.
Sell gold. Oh, there goes Naz. There goes Naz. Oh, she whipped it. Of course you fucking will whip it. God damn it. Of course you would. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait a little bit. But gold, right? Sell. Oh, gold. Gold. Right? Sell. TP. Guys, sell gold. Sell
already in profit.
Cool. All right.
Oh yeah, I'm already up $12. 17. Oh, that shit's busting.
Oh.
5, 6, damn.
Yeah, in our dog, just
watch that pullback, guys.
Watch that
pullback.
If you're in
pullback, please take.
I'm chilling at 15.
Show that, bro. It's still going. I'm marking some new charts. Whatever.
Yeah, it's gonna have a pullback, guys. Be very
It's
careful.
a long candle.
I just said big candles, right? Big candles will have big.
Jesus.
Take your profit. Take your profit. But yeah, so I was saying, let me go ahead and finish this chart, guys. Where to enter at, right? Do we enter on the break? What the fuck happened? Do we enter on the break?
Oh, you talking to me or someone else?
No, talking to them.
Oh, okay.
Guys, do we enter on the break or what? No, right?
No, you wanted to retest the break.
Exactly. So say, for example, it breaks here, right? Say this one breaks. Ours broke the sell zone and our trend line, right? It broke. We're going to wait. It's going to it's usually always smacks TP1, right? And then after, you're going to have like 2 or 3 candles. It's going to retest, right? This is where we get ready to enter, right? Once you have a green candle, next candle opens and it's red, guess what? Enter for a sell, right? Smacks TP1 again, hits TP2, right? Retest. You could either enter another entry here, right? And then next you know, comes back down, TP2 smack, TP3 smacks, again, enters right here, right? You enter another trade, and then it shoots back down. So I think it was Wendy or somebody asked me how you go ahead and enter TP1 and TP2, right here, right? By the pullbacks. You enter on the pullbacks. So you should have 3 orders right here. So you don't enter fucking 2, 3 orders in the beginning, right? Because if it reverses on you, you're fucked, right? You wait till you're in profit, right? I take out here, or I'll hold depending on how strong the trend is. And then when it pulls back, you pop another entry, right? It hits all TPs, pulls back, you pop another entry, and then it's golden. TP3, you could go ahead and obviously wait for TP4, right? If you want. I don't really do TP4s because I pull all my profit. And then once it's TP4, then you have 1, 2, 3 blue trades. Does that make sense, guys? That's our, so now you guys learned the difference between a pullback and reversal. You guys learned how to and when to enter on a trade when it breaks trend. When it breaks the buy sell zone. And you guys know how to enter positions when on the pullback, right? To have multiple orders based off of one trade, one pair, right? So this is what I mean when you're gonna piggyback off of SPX every Monday and Tuesday, right? Every move she makes, you're going, this is 3 entries, right? How much money you can make right there, right? Say she does a reversal, right? You're gonna go back for a sell. For a buy, right? You're gonna pop another 3 entries on every three TPs, pop another entry, right? So you guys can literally bank off of one pair by trading it all day. Well, in your time frames that you trade, right? Does that make sense, guys? Instead of hopping in like 4 different trades, y'all could just hop into one pair and just hop in every fucking move that pair makes. There's no difference. You don't need to hop into fucking 10 trades, different pairs in order to be successful. Okay.
Nas 100 is buying like a motherfucker right now.
What?
Nas 100 is buying. I think it might have broke the zone.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Looks good, but just relax.
Not yet. Not yet. Didn't I just have a fucking alarm on this shit too?
Dude, I had an alarm on oil. On gold. That shit never went off.
Can you repeat how to pick your own TP? Can you repeat how to pick your own TP? Yeah, you just get your ruler right here, and you literally from your buy zone or your sell zone, you just go. I'm on 15-minute, right? So on 15-minute, well, indices, I'll go ahead and do like 20 pips, right? And then you put your line here. So instead of my line being there, I'll put my line down here, right? But for me, I go off of previous higher highs and higher lows. Yes, indices would be a buy today. And I said that, right? I said that. See, now I messed up my TPs. Is it Deshaun? Did that make sense to you?
Shit, the dollar is flying. What news came out?
I don't know.
It just came up.
Yeah, I think we're good. I like that. It's pronounced Dejan. Dejan. Got it.
Dejan. Say it right.
Dejan.
Right? He came for you.
I know. At least he corrected me. I'm like fucking. What was it? Yeah.
You
Pilar. Pilar. And then I was like, was it Eris? I was like, Aris. Yeah, it was Eris. Oh my god. Oh, funny. I got jokes. How to stand out in a job. Nothing. Let's see.
You go to Market Watch?
Hmm?
On that website, you go to the market area?
You mean
now
on
Bloomberg
I know, I have all of them. I have stocks, I have what's happening, and I have Market Watch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let me see. Bill Gates went over there. Stocks gain and growth of optimism. Dollar weekends. Markets wrap. That was 24 minutes ago.
Dollar weekends. Oh, shoot.
No, guys, we're same shit. Can we enter gold on this pullback? Can they enter gold? Oh, fuck. Can they enter gold on pullback?
Yeah.
So you guys see how Naz, she's just fucking sitting here. She just likes that area. What? Hopefully she respects this, guys. We wanted to respect that we're on the 5-minute now, right? Because we enter on the 5-minute when you mark the charts on the 15. Guys, for you new people, or people who haven't been on my team prior, when it breaks, right? Whenever you mark your charts, guys, right? You are going to enter on the time frame under the time frame you marked. How much do you need to enter NAS? 250. 250. So like I said, so we marked our charts on the 15-minute, right? What time frame do we enter our trades? What time frame do we enter our trades?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5, right? If I mark my chart on the 1 hour, what time frame do I enter my trades?
30.
The 30, right? If I mark my charts on the 30-minute time frame, what time frame am I entering my trades?
15.
15.
Exactly. I don't want to hear it. What time frame? Right? If I'm fucking doing 15 minutes, it's goddamn 5. What time frame do we pip and dip?
5.
4 hours.
5.
Pip and dip. We're like,
The week.
yeah, seriously.
The week, guys.
All right, let's just go ahead. All right, fuck, we're gonna be sitting here forever. Fuck, we do fucking go live for like fucking 7 hours. Shit, we good. We good. We'll go through like one and a half candles.
1.5 candles, 4 hours.
That whole
2 hours.
time.
You do 2 hours.
The whole time. Oh my God. All right, guys, we got a couple seconds left. Get ready to go ahead and jump in on NAS, as well as possibly SPX. And those are only two that are good today. We'll check US 30 as well. Oh shit, I didn't even fucking mark SPX, guys. Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, 5, bro. It just came down.
Is gold a pullback?
Mm-hmm. Hold the pullback. Hold the pullback. It's really just testing the trend line. Just broke. As long as it tests that trend line, we're solid. We might have a big pullback, bro. We might have a little small correction. Stay up my own my trend line and it's set.
Fuck, it's 7 o'clock already?
Oh, for real? Fuck.
Yeah.
The kids.
Yeah, the kids. El bebés.
Y'all in gold are busting.
Gold selling?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, we're buying NAS and SPX once it breaks. Yep.
Once it breaks, guys.
Yeah, once it breaks. Not now, guys.
Do it now!
Yeah. Alexa, stop
They're gonna
alarm.
be like, I'm negative 500.
Oh my God, I know, huh? I should have listened.
I jumped in when you were talking.
No, Eris.
I knew it was gonna happen.
So now, right?
James, gold is like dropping.
Sheesh, I'm up $15 again.
Gold is busting.
I'm so upset with myself.
Oh, so you pull Alyssa where you don't jump into your own trades.
Doc, I was so focused on oil, and then I looked at gold. I'm like, oh shit, gold's busting.
So when your screen is blue, don't be talking about gold blew my account.
Right, for real. All right, cool. We got
I put my trend. I just put a my bad. I just put my chart out there for gold so y'all can see what I see and what I have marked.
Oh, Travell, no. He missed the long candle for gold.
MFTP, baby.
That's why you bring the phone with you, bro.
Right.
And it's back.
The TP did it hit new TPs?
Wait, who was yelling? What did they say?
They're smacked.
Oh.
No, but it's close.
Oh.
It's right. It's like.
Oh my
right
God!
there.
I got all these fucking text messages.
Hey, hell yeah, I should close out.
Do we have TPs on gold?
Yeah. Oh, there are TPs on gold.
Yeah.
2 minutes left on NAS and SPX, guys.
It's about to on this marked up chart.
Hold on.
Oh baby, come on, retest that shit.
Dang, who's in prison?
Oh my God, you're stupid.
Chow time.
You get to go out to the yard for 15 minutes.
You're stupid.
Y'all going to the yard now?
You what?
That's you, Christian.
Yeah.
That's you, bro.
Really?
No, it's like once a month.
All right, TP hit. Go TP hit. Go TP hit. Mark me down.
Huh?
Go
Okay.
TP hit.
Trading in jail.
Hey, I got people who are doing that.
Oh,
Of
for real?
course he did.
I have people who are trading in jail. Yeah.
That's tight.
Yeah.
Trading. Yeah, that's
I mean,
what's
it's
up.
actually
I
in
got
jail,
to
but
care the
I
homies.
guess.
Yeah. How do you think they're paying for their food?
They gotta pay Q in the
Huh?
prison.
Yeah, I'm trying to hide.
Books, man.
They're all
Hopefully it
up at
stays
5
like this,
a.m.
man. It's pretty light. I mean, I did get here super early. So, oh shit. I'm not needed.
Are you in prison 5 a.m. in the book in the library? Dog, I gotta get this
On
straight.
the computers.
What, homie?
Hey, wait, my trade bot's my TP. Hey,
Hey, cuz, let me get my trade in, cuz. Hey, cuz.
All
Start
right,
fighting over.
SPX guys, we got 40 seconds left. Let's see what happens on the next candle. Naz is moving a lot faster than SPX guys. She's already reached that buy zone. So let's see what happens.
Holy.
Got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I like the way Naz is doing. I need
It's Trader's Way.
What?
All right, guys, gold is sitting right at our TP.
Someone asked.
Let's ride. It's a big candle. Might get a little pullback. Might get one little candle again.
Trader's Way SPX should be an index. It's just like FX choice. Trader's Way it should be SP 500 index. Just put index. All right, guys, go ahead and buy NAS. Go ahead and buy NAS, guys. Buy NAS. Buy NAS.
And SPX?
Hold on.
NAS, Playboy.
Did you guys jump into NAS yet?
Not yet. Bye.
Yeah, you could wait, guys. Wait a little bit.
Oh, damn, I already jumped in.
Okay, you're good. If you jumped in, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah. What happened? I'm going to jump in right now.
Naz is a buy or sell.
NAS and SPX, yeah, guys. Just watch for that. The pullback's not over on SPX, guys. But yeah, I was on the wrong chart when I said buy NAS. Sorry, guys.
When you guys trade gold, what gold pair do you use?
Say it again.
When you guys trade gold, what gold pair do you use? The USD or the other one?
USD. USD.
So everyone buy SPX?
Yes, Christian.
Well, I'm confused because you said NAS and you said, oh, wait, that's the wrong chart. And then you said, wait, because they're not done pullbacks.
NAS.
Gonna kick you, Christian.
Dude, my chart is like freezing.
Dang, don't tell me y'all aren't up in gold.
I'm confused too.
I closed out when TP too.
Yeah, I closed out with profit. Like, I just made like $10 off.
Yeah. I'm still busting in gold.
If y'all ready in gold, I'm gonna kick somebody.
If you're not at SPX or NAS, then don't get into it yet. If you are, just hold it with me.
He said I'm going to kick somebody.
Dude, can you guys see my computer glitching?
No.
No?
Does it do that thing where the bottom goes like halfway up the screen and it starts like
Yeah, and it just
freaking out?
stays there and then it kind of like blacks out a little bit or some shit.
Wow, same.
Yours too?
Yeah, and Jihad.
I did that. That's why I was like, what the fuck? Like, I was like, wait, I'm on SPX, but then I was on fucking, I thought I was on NAS and I was on SPX. And then like, it like glitched. Like, what the fuck? All right, but we still good. We still good. Can't find if it's on my Trader's Way. Nakia, go to your indices. Go to where it says indices, and then there should only be like 6 to 8 indices that you're able to trade. Every broker has SPX because it's the New York Stock Exchange.
Where they get a lot of big boxes?
Or you might have.
Yeah.
It's a shitload right here on the side.
Really?
A shitload, dude. Fuck. Wait a minute.
Hey,
Dude.
Really?
What happened?
Like it's like weird.
Like how mine, like how 816 needs me?
Hold on. Andre, boy, I'm about to go hunt you down.
Oh, my bad.
I'm just kidding. Got his attention real quick, huh? Real quick. Can you mute? Oh yeah, mute yourself. Yeah, thanks, guys. Guys, 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Gold does never look so beautiful.
Gold.
Bella, go. We don't go that way. Go. Okay. Are you done, Bella?
Remember
Hey,
what?
listen, I took my profit in gold.
This is not.
Hey, you
Yeah,
guys
go ahead,
I
TP2.
can't hear you. You're talking.
Give it to me. Where's the pepper?
Say it again. What?
All right, guys, remember what you can hold in your account. Don't have like 2 golds and try to put in a Nas or SPX, or have SPX and Nas and add a gold. Don't blow your account. Hold what you can hold. There's one trade, one
Don't tell
trade.
me
There's
US
2
30
trades,
is
2
selling.
trades.
Oh, US 30
Yeah, they're
selling,
selling.
guys. US 30 selling, guys.
James, you are totally right. I went ahead and took my profit in gold. I'm not going back in
Guys,
and
be
waiting on
careful.
that.
Indices. US 30 selling, guys. US 30 is breaking the sell zone. Watch out for NAS if you're in NAS.
Yeah.
We got 42 seconds, guys. 42 seconds.
Actually, let me finish this up before.
Reject US 30.
Hey, Alyssa, are there any indices that clashes together?
Not really.
Like if one index do something, the other one would like do something different.
No, they all follow the US.
They all follow each other.
They all follow the US stock market. I mean, would they go and like would their chart look exactly the same? No, right? But will it be in the same uptrend or downtrend or consolidation? Yes, right? So like if we go to Germany 30, it's probably the same thing as NAS, but roughly are not the same chart, right? Or see how, oh, look at US 30. Like US 30 and Germany 30. Okay. So UK 100 and NAS. But see, UK 100 is also following US 30. Right? So they're all kind of just sitting in a certain area, but they're all going to follow the same movement. Right? Does that make sense? But like if we're selling US 30, if we're buying US 30 right now, we're not going to be like selling, unless there's news, like Nikki will sell because obviously there's news, right? But if we're buying the US stocks, every other index is going to follow in an uptrend. Does that make sense? Because the US government, the US stock exchange controls the whole stock market. Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
Okay. All right, guys, we got a new candle. Hold on. All right, we got Hakanashi. Let's wait for this one. If you guys are already in with me, just hold it. Hold it. You did well? Okay, cool. Thank goodness. Oh, man.
I'm blue now.
You're blue and Nas? All right. Oh, my God. You're blue and Nas? Jesus. I just popped another entry on mine because I closed down the other one. All right, guys, let me go ahead and take a look at SPX. Hold on, SPX, guys, if you're still in it, or if you haven't entered yet, just wait a minute. US 30 better be pulling back up. No, it wasn't even US 30 that we were looking at like a fucking idiot. It was, I think, UK when I was like, oh, wait, yeah, so it was fucking UK. Stupid. Gotta redo my
65, 15, 10.
No, don't enter SPX yet. Nope. No. You should just be in NAS. Yeah, enter earlier, but right now I didn't say enter. I said if you're already in, hold it. I said if you're not in, then don't enter yet.
Okay, you had me confused there for a second.
No, if you entered earlier when I said enter, you're good. Just hold it. But if you didn't, then don't enter yet.
It's so stupid.
How are you looking on gold? Is it next to TP?
No,
It's gonna be hell of a it's gonna have hell of a slow day.
It's in a pullback right now. Small one. It should come back down soon.
Hurry up, Nas. Fuck, dude.
Let me go back to my oil.
We got some irregular Hakanashis on the downtrend, guys, on the sell. That means sellers don't have that much momentum. It's just a pullback, as well as SPX, guys. As well as SPX. What time do you have to leave?
Soon. That's what I'm doing. Start real quick.
Come on, Nazzy Naz. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, everything's a fucking sell. Holy shit.
Non-selling? That was what I was looking for, that non-selling.
No.
No?
No. But Nikki's a sell. All of the pairs are sells. Gold's a sell. Oil's a sell. Let's see. Bill Gates wonders whether no. Stocks gain aimed growth. Gains in U.S. factory production slowed in August. Oh, fuck. That's what. Oh, man. Almost 5:30. What time is it? Oh, no. Yeah. It's fucking 7 o'clock. What is wrong with this factory thing? Oh, my God. Don't tell me you fucking missed the fucking news. I'll be so pissed off. Fuck. I fucking missed it.
What happened?
The fucking news, man.
What did you say?
Remember earlier I was telling you that we have the USD? Fuck, Alyssa. Guys, we might need to get out and fucking take a loss for the fucking day.
So we're getting out of Nas?
No, not yet. We got, fuck, dude. If she breaks this, then yeah, we're gonna have to get out. And just fucking talk about the fucking news too. Totally, it's just like on fucking charts. Come on, babe, respect that trend. Respect that trend. There's a guy that's not red folders. Shit, but still, fuck. Okay, the capacity is not that bad, guys. Capacity is not that bad.
I'm going to put a message out, so in case you see it.
Actual 04, previous. That one's bad. We don't have any more. We don't have any more USD news, so I think we're gonna good. I think we're gonna be good. One as respect that shit. Can we get in this place for a sell? No, it's not a sell yet. Nope. Why don't you just tell them?
Because you do your talking and shit.
So why don't you say, can I talk? What up? We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh, hurry up. Yeah, right, Marco? Andre, I got it, boo. I'll send it to you after, okay?
Tell him, Pilar. She don't understand that. She don't understand that.
It's not about cutting off because I have something to say like he normally does. There's no difference.
But whatever. All right, guys. I'm about to head out, man. So y'all take care of yourselves. If you're in gold, take your profit or ride with it. Take your profit. Y'all have a good day.
So wait,
man.
take your profit or ride?
Later, you too.
So they take their
Bye, James. Have a great
Bye,
day.
James. Have a great one.
Hold on, he's gonna see. He's gonna tell you guys if you should take your profit or not.
No, it's still a pullback to me. It's a small pullback. Now it's still a pullback.
Okay.
You got a minute 29 on this candle.
Okay. All right, guys. Maybe I'll put gold on my chart just in case people watch it. Gold. Oh shit, that's stupid. What? She there?
It's laid out. I can see it. I walked up on
No, Wanda. Cool. Yeah, you guys are good. Oh, we're on the 5 minute. Oh shit, wrong one.
You want my chart?
Huh? No, it's okay. No, I see it. I see what you're doing.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me know if you need it though.
Let's go, SPX. Let's go, NAS. Of course, they'll be going separate ways today, huh? Of course, y'all want to make up your own motherfucking mind today. We got, oh my God, we got 34 seconds left. Come on, 19, 18. Oh my God, respect the zone and the trend. Let's go, let's go. Okay, ciao. Can I get into gold? Oh, I have no idea. Can she get into gold?
Bad timing.
I know, I'm in NAS. And oh my God, don't fucking do that. Did you pull the fuck up already? Can she get into gold?
It's going back up gold, but James had called for a sell, but it looks like it's respecting that area and it's kind of shooting back up.
Oh, we got a red candle on the 5.
It's still short. That's why I like it for itself.
I will see.
I still like it for itself.
Come on. Oh, fuck yeah, Naz. Let's go. Respect that shit. Respect it. Respect it. Respect it. It's in a respected zone on gold right now. Look, it's 15. Okay, let me see, guys. Let me see. Let me see. Let's go, Naz. Come on, baby. I know you're gonna be a buy today. Let's go. On gold, it's hitting a respected zone. Let me see, guys. Hold up, hold up. Oh shit, what do I do? Goldy, gold, gold. My shits are like hella big over here, huh? Let me see where it goes back from the very beginning. Oh, guys. Oh my God, I have all my markings already. Yeah, you guys have a little one. Honestly, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Gold never filled that area she was supposed to fill last time we jumped in. Hakanashis. All right, you guys are still good on a sell for gold. You guys are so good. Naz.
Hey, Alyssa, go get the kids.
Oh shit, that's right. Kids. Naz needs to fucking hurry up and just zone. So we can just go up for a buy already. SPX is going sideways. US 30 and SPX are consolidated. They're not really doing much, guys. The US 30, SPX. What time is it? Oh my God, 7:23. Get them kids left. I know. Get them kids, girl. Get them kids. I know, for real. I know. I'm trying to make sure that Naz isn't reverse on our ass. That bunk ass news. Y'all kids will sleep in like another 10 more minutes. Yes, Naz. Come on. Oh my God. Save my ass. All right, she's on his own. Let's go, baby. Come on. I know you're a motherfucking bi. Stop playing with my emotions. I always try to remind. Yeah, I know. Seriously, dude. You're like my fucking kid alarm clock and shit. Yeah. Keep holding SPX and NS until they break a zone. Hold it. We got 1 minute left. She's just moving sideways. Moving sideways, guys. Blocks it. Just moving sideways. Sideways. You see, this is all consolidation right here.
Sideways, James.
Dude, he gets so mad. He gets so mad. Okay, hold it, Wendy. Hold it.
Did they break his zone for Nas or no?
Not really. We're on the 5 minutes, so. We'll see what happens on the next candle, guys. See what happens on the next candle. Right when we get out, we're going to go ahead and it's going to come back up. As fucking always. 19 seconds. Oh, Janelle, you have your hand raised? No, you're good?
Hey, Alyssa.
What up?
Yeah, I think Naz is listening to Jason Derulo because it is going down.
Right? What is it doing?
Naz was originally a bi, or?
Yeah, I'd rather get out of Naz. I have to get out of Naz and SPX. Oh, that's SPX. No, Naz, it's respecting that trend right there, guys. SPX needs to follow. Hold on. Come on.
Did we get an as if we're ended already?
What happened? What happened? Dude, I do not want to leave this fucking computer.
Did we get at an as if we're ended already?
No. Do not get out of anything just yet. How's gold looking, guys? Okay, you're so good. She likes this area, though. Are you guys still in gold? Okay, US30 is coming up, too.
Nah, I'm not in gold. I got out because I was waiting for Naz.
Okay, cool. Hold it, guys. Hold it.
Took them profits and ran.
You did take a profit in NAS already, huh?
Oh no, I'm talking about from gold.
Oh, from gold? Oh, yeah, that's
I hit TP2 and I rolled out.
You said adios, motherfuckers.
No Pippin dip for you.
Huh. Oh, man. Yes, guys. Keep respecting that fucking zone. Let's go, Nazzy Naz. Let's go. Oh my God. Did anybody not sleep last night? I did not sleep last night. I was tossing and turning. I was like, yo, I was not feeling it last night.
If you were in SPX overnight, you damn sure didn't sleep. I was up to like 4:30 my time.
Are you serious?
Yes, and I closed with only like 52. I closed with like 52-cent profit.
Oh,
and like
stop.
when I went to the screen, it was like on the day it was like -2 cents, and I was pissed. I was like, I waited all that time to be -2 cents.
Thanks, Matt. Yeah, it's a buy. It's just that news. I don't know. It's gonna be a big pullback, but I appreciate it, Matt. Thank you.
Yeah,
Like that day on
SPX.
UK.
I thought SPX was gonna do me dirty too. I fell asleep. I fell asleep before. I was looking at my screen. I was like, damn, this thing is red as hell. I done ran out of Visine. I fell asleep. Woke back up. I woke back up to like, I think $20 profit.
Well, better than 59 cents.
Okay,
hell
sleeping
yeah.
would have been my
Cause
best
it-
option. I should have went to
59 cents.
Oh my god. Yeah, wait.
What? No, because it jumped. It had a hella jump when I woke up. When I woke up earlier this morning.
Yeah,
I just want to catch Czar.
They did move. What's it called?
I just left it. Actually, I wasn't using anything. I was stuck in that buy for a hot minute from, I think, honestly, from Alyssa's call.
From earlier, yeah. When y'all
Yeah, from
wait,
much earlier. I just stayed in. I never closed it.
No.
It didn't.
Yeah,
It didn't.
I got
It never
stuck in
was
that too.
positive though. When you told us to get out when it was positive, mine's never went
you
positive.
entered when everybody else entered because everybody else was in profit. Did you enter?
Yeah, I entered when you said to enter.
Really? Oh shit.
I was pipping and dipping, and then I got stuck on the last one. I got stuck, like, so I held it all day.
That's what happened. I was pipping and dipping, and on the last one, when you were in Nas, you said, when you get profit, get out, and I could never get into profit to get out.
oh man, and oh sorry, maybe. And hanging on to SPX is like fucking Naz, and SPX is like fucking biting your fucking nails.
Seriously.
I was pipping and dipping. The last candle I did, that's when it went up. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as mine went negative, I was like, oh damn, like I'm gonna be stuck here. But it didn't, it didn't kick me out. I fell asleep, woke up, that thing shot up to the damn moon. I was like, oh, let me go ahead and take this profit. I'm like, the bank don't need to hold that.
You're like, shit, I'm gonna take more Naz often with you, Naz.
Right?
Oh my god.
And that was all. And that was with SPX though. See, Naz, I was like, nah, I know better. I know better than that.
Let's fucking go. What's the fuck?
Like I know better than to ever fall asleep on Naz.
Yeah, you can't. No, you can't fall asleep on that. There's no way.
Because the moment you fall asleep on Naz, she belongs to the streets.
Alyssa, it's 7:30 now. Just go run and get them really quick.
All right. Dude, it's fucking freezing in here. Let's go, Naz. Let's go.
Listen, you need to pay Pilar for her waking.
I know.
for 9
Seriously, I'm just gonna fucking Venmo you every fucking morning and shit.
No, not at all. No way.
Oh fuck.
She's like, you can get a burrito.
A burrito. Oh. Wait, what? James was like, you're fine. If anything, break even. I said, break even. No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Alyssa, what time your kid's supposed to be up again?
They start school at 8.
Alexa, stop.
8, okay.
Yeah, 8. She's like, fuck it. I'll take that fucking Venmo.
They're supposed to be awake at like 7:30?
Oh, yeah, 7:30.
It's not 7:30 over there?
Yeah, it's 7:30 here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, just want to make sure. No, I got you.
Thanks. Just focus over here, make sure you don't fucking lose that goddamn money.
Someone said Alyssa, and then my Alexa turned on.
Oh, wow. We got 2 minutes left. Oh. Naz. I'm hungry. I gotta make my shake. Oh, has anybody like detoxed for like a couple of years straight, and then when like you fall off the bandwagon, it's so hard to fucking go back and detox and like start like your shit again. It's so hard this time around. That's what I was thinking. Do you know what, like, if I wanted to go up in what? Like, if you want to go Oh, I know. Yeah, I need to too. Yeah, I should do just the 40-hour water cleanse, and oh my god. Yes, I'm detoxing for the Bahamas. Yes, girl. You get the body tight. Keep it tight. Keep it right. Come on, Nez. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Man, gold is chilling right now.
I know all of them are chilling. All of them.
Alyssa.
What?
Look at how he said, "Is that people right? Culo."
Look at you would. Yeah, guys, everything's chilling. Almost like it's consolidating.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. It was consolidating.
Yep, gold is consolidating, guys. NAS and SPX. Our SPX is actually going back up.
If you guys want, you can hop in AUD USD for a sell.
AUD USD. All right, guys. Christian's calling AUD USD for a sell. TP. Did gold hit TP 2 or anything? NAS a buy.
I'm pretty sure gold hit like everything on the chart.
SPX for a buy.
Yeah, my TP2 hit for gold.
Yeah. Okay.
I never said a TP2 though, so I don't know.
My Hugo's way is fucking up today.
It's so slow today because it said y'all. The market said y'all bitches talking about the Bahamas. Sit y'all ass down. Y'all ain't going nowhere. We waiting.
Hey, yo, Christian, was that you that called it AUD sell?
Yes.
Yeah.
Eris.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it 100 with you. I wish that was you that called that during London session, because I think Shauna called for it to be a sell, and that thing was a straight buy for like 6 hours.
I heard. Yeah, I heard her.
Oh no.
Dude, for real, I lost $30 on that single trade.
Yep.
It's like, bro.
I kept that one. I kept that one small though. I was like, you know what?
It's
I don't
because
trust
Shauna
it.
tries to stick with the harmonic scanner a lot, and I feel like
For real.
that's like a long trade when you use a harmonic scanner.
AUD USD was first sell, right?
Yes.
This is just a pull that is in right now, Chris.
Yep.
Is it a pullback? Yeah. Okay. Shit, guys. I might want you to get out of gold, guys. If you're in profit, please get out of gold. It's gonna do a reverse.
Sorry, I just.
Wait,
I
Alyssa, have you told us to get into SPX yet or not yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. It's coming back up. I need it to go ahead and break where we entered at. SPS is right here.
Cool.
It's coming back up. I told y'all. I told you. Like, okay, I'm not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna jinx us, but still, I told you. Hold on, guys.
It's AUD USD.
Guys,
Amanda.
if who's still in gold? Sorry, you guys. I was just honestly.
AUD USD.
SPS is blue. Okay, cool. All right, wait. Ah. Okay, hold on, guys.
So somebody in the chat said Trump tweeted.
Said what? Trump tweeted?
Yeah, Trump tweeted. I don't know, but
Positive?
that's what somebody said in the chat.
Twitter. Hopefully positive. 40 minutes ago. Positive, please.
Wait, can we still get into SPX?
We haven't much. Yeah, hold on a minute. Let it pass that line. Oh, okay. It's nothing major. It's just him about his thing. Thank God. Thank fucking God. All right, guys. We got. Can I get AUD's pullback, guys? Christian, can they get it back in? Can they get in AU? Who's still in
It's
gold?
in a pullback.
Okay, who's still in gold? Guys, we got strong Hakanashis, man. Let's go. Who's still in gold? No, Menda, not ACAD, not AC, AU. Menda, you're so fired. Christian, can you look at ACAD for Amanda, please? No, don't get out. Don't get out until we confirm it. You might just be safe. Hold on. Christian will drop it right now. I know, but just check to see if it's in a downtrend or uptrend so we can figure out if she needs to get out or something. All right, guys, hold SPX and NAS. She's struggling, but we got strong Hakanashis. We're just sitting here. Well, not NAS now, but hold it. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck this year. AC just hit a support. Okay. I don't think you should hold. I know when the SPX was on a roll and they said, skirt, pump your brakes. Yeah, she sold. Yeah. SPX like this area, guys. Wait, I'm so confused. Wait, AU? AU is a sell, right? It's coming
I'm
down.
talking about my trade AU, but when I was talking about AC, I said because she sold.
Oh my
and
God.
it just hit
Nas better not fucking
support.
take this area, dude. I was so fucking pissed off. It's just fucking doing so good. Guys, you might need to get on Nas ASAP. I'm hopping a fucking sell. Damn it, what the fuck? Guys, okay, yeah, get out Nas and let's jump into a sell. Get out. Damn, fuck, negative 100.
What
So
about
Sal for
SPX?
Nas.
Negative 100. Ooh.
Yeah.
Jump in as now.
SPX, yeah, I want you guys to get an SPX too. Get out SPX. Oh my God. Look at me.
Is XPX
Sal for
sell
SPX.
also?
Yeah, get out every indice. Get out every indice. Get out everything. Jump in for a sell for NAS though. Jump in for a sell on NAS. Wait till we need SPS to figure out what she's doing, guys. She's just hanging around here.
So
Do
Sal
we
and
jump
Nas
in
then.
for the sell?
Yeah, jump in for the sell for NAS. Well, let me find out what's going on. Hold on. What's going on? Breaking news. Breaking news. Get out of gold? Oh, no.
No, not Naz. You gotta be careful.
Where fund managers putting money as no.
So do we jump on a sell for Nas or do we wait?
You're supposed to a while ago. You should have been in profit by now. Hold on. Wait for, we have 3 minutes left on this candle. No, wait, you guys are waiting on SPX. SPX needs to figure out what she's doing. See how she's in this area still? She's in a consolidation area. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys, let me figure out what's going on right now. She needs to break that. Gold, who's still in gold? Carrie, we'll go ahead and get it back on SPX. Gold is consolidating too, guys. Gold is consolidating too. Who's still in gold? So you too? No, that was hours ago. Oh, there it goes. U.S. violated trade rules in China. Bam, 11 minutes more, guys. 11 fucking
Good. So
minutes.
AUD USD.
What?
I said good, so AUD USD needs to drop.
What the fuck is going on? Violated trade rules, guys.
How do you violate trade rules?
Oh my God. What? Why am I echoing? All right, so we figure out SPX. SPX gonna be buy. All right, guys, SPX is gonna be a sell right now. Once she breaks this, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys.
Oh man. Nas for
You
the
blew an
sell right
AU.
now.
Yeah, Nas.
Take it out of Nas?
No. Stay, Nas. No.
Excuse me, Alyssa.
What's that?
No, no,
Can
no. I'm
I
in for a buy.
can I share excitement with you guys real quick?
Yes, what?
So those of you who do not know, my phone is fucked off and I can't even trade today. But my phone just came in. So I'm finna go get my new phone and I will see you guys in the morning. I love all of y'all. Hope y'all run it up. Make some money for me since I can't make any.
Yes, for sure. We will see you mañana.
Let's go.
Be safe, love.
I can't even
Yo, Forex paid Lele's phone, so I'm proud of her. 'Cause
Yeah, right?
Yes,
Yo,
Forex
Nas
did pay.
bussin'.
Yeah, that's a selling, guys, from the China news.
Oh man.
Get ready,
Nah.
$40.
Get ready to sell SPX back.
Nas,
Get ready to sell SPX in about 30 seconds, guys. Just get the fucking money back and let's fucking bag this shit. Fuck that, we're gonna use this shit.
Nas is straight Tatiana right now.
Yeah, I better get my fucking money back first of all.
It is busting down.
All right, guys, get ready. Get ready.
Sheesh.
8 seconds, guys. Let's wait for that pullback. She needs to break this area, guys. She needs to break this
AU
area here.
blue.
Hold on. She needs to break this area here in order for us to confirm it's a good sell. See how she respected that? Wait a minute, guys. Hold on. We have to wait. Dude, what is wrong with my computer? Oh, guys. All right, where's Nancy Naz? Come on, Naz. Let's go. Oh, my Lord. All right, cool. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pip and dip on Naz. I'm going to get my money back. All right, we're going to pip on dip on Naz. Can I drop 0.2 on? Honestly, I want to drop any big loss sizes on indices right now. No, I didn't call SPX yet. Nope. No, I'm not calling SPX right now because she's not doing anything. We need her to break that area right now. See that area, guys? She needs to break this area because if we jump in right now and she respects this area like she did previously here, right? We're going to get fucked again on our second trade. And we're trying to get the money back we just lost. So once she breaks this, guys, it's golden. We're going to get in. She's going to literally break it, right? Retest it. And
oh my God.
Naz is good. If you guys want to start pipping and dipping on Naz, you're more than welcome to.
Don't do that. It scares us when you go, oh my God, and we just hear you in the background.
Who, me?
No, someone had their mic on. They said, oh my God.
Oh my God. I think it was me. I keep my
Dipping and dipping for a sell, right?
Yeah. My computer. Jeez, my computer keeps fucking freezing and it's so frustrating. Unless it's just my mouse. I'm tripping. Yeah, we're still in Naz. Yeah, we're still in Naz.
Selling Nas, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hold on, guys. Fuck, I want to see the Bloomberg. I know I gotta buy Bloomberg. Redo it. Nope, it's not letting me. Oh, there it is.
Nas is going back up for a buy. Should we?
Has it? No,
Yeah.
it's not. No, you're good. You got Hakanashi, strong Hakanashis. You're good. She's retesting the sell zone. You're good.
So we're gonna stay in Nas for a sell right now.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, guys, you have a downward trend, right? So you have, look at, right? Higher high. Oh my gosh, dude. Look, bam, 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 retouch, right? Retouch, bam. That's what's gonna happen. Okay. We're gonna confirm with Hakanashi's. There you guys go. Strong buy. Strong sell. Okay. We gotta wait to see what SPX does. She's still sitting here. She's still sitting here in this damn zone. You asked, yeah. When SPS is ready to go, guys, I'll go ahead and call it. Don't worry, you'll hear me. Listen, can you show us the different types of retest and how to pip and dip? Yeah. Well, like I said yesterday, there's certain types that's good to pip and dip. The only reason why we're gonna pip and dip on Naz is because she's allowing us to have big candles. Right, when there's big candles, it's a bonus. But the problem is, like, she's still kind of like unsure. Obviously, the news just dropped, right? So we're in for a sell, but it doesn't mean that she's going to be a sell all day long, right? Yeah, Navita, just wait. Yeah, so pip and dip have to be like on a good day, like the day that we want, like the confident day I was talking about earlier, right? But because Naz has good candles right now, because of the news, you can go ahead and pip and dip on that one. Waiting for SPH 2. Okay, yeah, I'll let you know. How are we looking on gold, guys? How are we looking on gold?
Listen, I was trying to start, I was going to start pipping and dipping on Naz, but I'm waiting for it to go into a sell. Should I hold it or should I just like close out this trade?
All right, what are you winning right now?
Naz.
For a sell?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm holding mine. I'm holding mine. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the next candle and then we'll see where she goes.
All right, bet.
Yeah, Gold Cup and I both called a buy for SPX. Yeah, and then the news came out. That's why. Thanks, Nikita. Yeah, that news fucked us up again.
It hit Gold Cup stop loss.
Yeah, because they called it for a buy as well. They called SPX for a buy. I know, Eris, right? Stop fucking playing, man. Fuck. Dude, SBS is just consolidated.
So when like the news drop happens like that, Alyssa, like a news drop and like affects the market, it's never really like you have to, it delays the news to drop it. It delays like a couple minutes on like 10 minutes to actually drop on the news channel.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's why you literally have to go through sometimes you guys see me go through every fucking news station or website to find it, right? Like the other day when Apple sold it, right? It was breaking news on CNBC, but it wasn't anywhere else, right? Today, when the news obviously violated the Chinese, you know what I mean? That's a big deal, right? Because we've been going at it, right? So that was only on Bloomberg. It's not anything else. So, yeah. And when news drops, it's unexpected. You know what I mean? You just got to go with the flow, you know? There's nothing that anybody could do. So it's a risk you take when you trade indices, you know? But like I was saying earlier, like they always drop news like in the middle of like the trading session, right? Like why don't you drop up news at like at 6 o'clock in the morning? Like why now? They always do that shit. Always. Haters. They don't want us
Link to the banks.
What happened?
Fucking link to the banks for some shit.
Yeah, they're always fucking like that. It's like, oh, y'all some greedy motherfuckers, huh? They all know when it's gonna hit though. So you know what I mean? They know to prepare themselves. But as retail traders, we get the fucking shit end of the stick and then we get the news fucking like later. Let's see. It's done on purpose. They know. Yeah, they do know. They know. U.S. futures rise on China data ahead of upcoming Federal.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
What's a fuck? What's a fuck? Oh, what's a
no, I'm loading my truck at work and then.
I was like, what? Don't scare me like that. I wonder if Trump's gonna tweet on the China thing because obviously it's a big deal, right, for him. Oh yeah, no, it's the same one.
Why is he always touching women?
That's Biden.
I know.
Oh, I don't. She said, I know. I don't know. I don't know. No, of course, Manda. How's AU? Did AU hit TPs yet? You're blue?
Pull back again.
Okay, I know. Naz is in a pullback too. How are we looking on gold? Oh my God, Naz.
Do you think
Who's in gold? Anybody still in gold? Did you guys take your profit? Yeah, right? Everybody should take the profit on gold when I say get out.
Do we have TPs for AU?
Yeah. Oh, I think Christian.
No, there are no TPs.
Oh, no. Oh, dang. God, don't yell at us. You're so mean, huh? Eris, mine too, man. Mine too. Mine fucking too. There's no TPs on AUD USD, guys. No TPs. No TPs. Just write it out, guys. Just write it out. I know, guys. What the fuck? I hate news. I'm so mad. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Let's see.
I think I'm about to get kicked out of Nas.
Are you? I think I might too.
My whole screen is red.
Okay, what broker do you have?
I literally just got kicked out.
You have
KOT.
KOT, what's your leverage?
100.
1 to 100? Okay. So if you all get kicked out, then I am too. Ooh, damn. Hold on, look at my phone. Naz. Come on, Bloomberg. Oh, let me see. Can't even read the fucking article.
think it's reversing?
Let's see. It hasn't surpassed this area. It's still in a downtrend. The thing is, you see it's higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? This has not surpassed the other one. You see that? Remember, this has not surpassed this one, right? So we're still in a downward trend.
Oh, hey.
Oh, I know. Fuck, dude, for real.
You know who we haven't seen in a while? Willie.
Oh, yeah, he's doing his own thing. I wonder if he looks at IMO too. Guys, SPX ain't doing shit, guys. SPX is not doing anything. She's literally not doing anything. She's not even reacting to the news. She's not. Yeah, US 30 is doing the same thing too. She is consolidating. Today's gonna be a rough day for us, whoever's in NAS and SPX. I'm just hoping fucking NAS goes down. I'm hoping she's going down. I think she will. She's rejecting that area. It's in a big downtrend, guys. Blue and AUD? Okay, cool.
Hey.
Damn, I wish we could have got in on a UK 100. That thing was flying.
Is it flying? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, that one candle. Still didn't break any zones, though. No zones.
Everything's consolidating between your zones.
Yeah, everything, exactly. It's gonna be a
The slow
long
morning.
day in the indice market, guys. A long day. We're on the 15-minute.
I'm still red in Nas, but my whole screen isn't red anymore.
No? Okay, cool. Yeah, she's coming down. Well, I was like, what the fuck? That is not Nas. I'm like, that candle was not that fucking big. Get the shit out of me. Oh, hell no. Let's go, Nas. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, we still got red Hakanashi candles on Nas, so whoever got kicked out, we got to get back in SPX when she makes her fucking move. We got to get that money back. On SPX, that was yen. That was the yen. Oh, this one, yeah. Is anybody still in SPX for a buy or no? I know, Will, right? Seriously. She's just gonna consolidate. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys are in SPX for anything, holding extra for a buy. Okay. Jose, when you're blue, go ahead and pull out, guys. Go ahead and pull out in blue because she's gonna keep consolidating for a while. Unless it literally corrects itself, but it's already 8 o'clock. Okay. We're already what, 5, 6, 5, 6, 2 hours in? I think. Oh, I gotta stay.
You call this long?
Yeah. AUD hit TPU or whatever the fuck. Everybody should be in blue, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Open.
All right.
TPM, I have to yell at you too.
Doing AU. Okay. What happened?
It hasn't been that long. I think I've been up since like 3.
3? What the fuck? Do you not sleep?
No, I'm on a different time zone than y'all. That's why.
Oh.
For y'all, it's 3.
The fuck? Do you not sleep? If she breaks the zone, yeah, Naz will be a fucking buy. Oh my god.
Is it checked?
I think Naz is gonna consolidate though. After this move she makes, she's gonna consolidate. We got 19 seconds, guys. 19 seconds left on a candle. 19 seconds.
Damn, I can.
It's been a long 8 months. Wait 6 weeks. I told him it's been a long 8 months. Doctor said wait 6 weeks.
God, Naz. God, I think it's a wrap for indices today. Hold Naz. I'm not closing out Naz until I confirm. Right? For real. They need to make up their fucking mind. Let me see if Bloomberg will let me get it. Nope. Fuck. Let me see if anybody else has it. Hold on. There's nothing else here, guys. Let's see. Well, this one will fucking update. We already know that one now, right? No, guys, the only one that has it is Bloomberg. The only one that has that news. The only one that has that news. And Naz is sitting there. She is sitting. Literally, she's not even fucking moving. No, guys, that's it. Tariffs. The U.S. imposed tariffs on the Chinese goods, guys. It's up in AU.
Nas kicked me out.
Yeah, he's gonna kick me out too.
Is it reversing?
Oh my god. What?
You think it's gonna reverse, or we?
Honestly, no. I think it's still gonna be a downward trend. I mean, what, we're on the 15?
Quick question. I've been trying to listen in on everything, and I'm still new to this. When it reverses, that means the trend itself is actually worsening from downwards to upwards. And then when it's a pushback, that's just mean like the candlestick, let's say it's buying, that means it's kind of pushing back up and like undecided, you know, if it want to go back down. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, if she closes like this in 40 seconds, if she closes like this, yeah, we gotta get out. Oh my god. What's SPX doing? Taking a loss for today, guys. I'm taking a fucking fat ass loss.
Yeah, I can't cap Alyssa. I definitely just blew half of my account.
Yeah. Hey. Welcome to the fucking team, Naz, you fucking asshole. Twice in 2 weeks.
I always still test in my demo first, like always. I don't care what it is. I don't care what's called. I don't care what I'm looking at. I'm going to test it in my demo first. And so I never got in for the sell on Nas.
You're lucky. But SPS is rejecting again off that area. US 30 is rejecting it. Yeah, guys, US 30 ain't doing shit. Look at her. Nothing. Absolutely nada. The UK. UK is barely right there. We're looking profit for the day too. Ooh, girl. Ooh, child.
Alyssa, should I just get out before it like kicks me out, or should I just like stay in
Yeah,
here?
are we closing on Nas?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and close out on Nas, guys. I'm just gonna fucking pip and dip, guys. I'm flipping and dipping this bitch. I need my fucking money back. I'm pipping and dipping, guys. Book this shit. All right, guys, go on the 5 minute. If you guys want, I'm gonna go ahead and pip and dip. If you guys aren't comfortable pipping and dipping yet, we need to work on it.
I don't have that much money in my account now to pip and dip.
You can
so what do I do?
On, SPX. I think I'm gonna watch SPX for a while. But honestly, I feel like they're
Are
not.
you pipping and dipping for Nas for
Okay.
buy?
Hold on. We're gonna pip and dip on SPX, not NAS.
Alyssa, I just got the Forex Watch like notification, and it says that NAS is higher, but topside MA/retracement remains at a key resistance. If that means anything, I'm not so sure what it means.
So you're gonna stay exactly where the fuck she's at. She's not moving. I mean, she's gonna consolidate. I have the news right here. WTO decides against the US. Isn't it big that the panel has said that the U.S. has not met the burden of demonstrating that the measures against China. They recommend the U.S. bring the measures to conformity. Who's still in AU? Who's still in AU?
Everyone should be because she busted.
Me.
Who's in AU?
I am.
Did you close out on Nas?
Yeah, I close out. Canada too. Canada got hit with U.S. Tariffs today too, guys. U.S. is just bombing on fucking everybody right now. right now, a little while ago, U.S. and China. That's the latest news. Gold erases earlier gains. Trades negative. Who's still in gold? Gold is reversing too. Do you take a profit on gold? Yeah, hold on. SPX ain't doing nothing still. Nas is gonna be sitting here fucking still. Let me see UK. Guys, if you want, we could jump into UK. We have 15 seconds. Let's see if she's gonna retest.
UK made us wait like 4 hours last time.
That's true. Oh my god, my fucking account. Nats.
How much did you lose?
Fuck, 250.
Fuck.
That shit back. I love more. My account is at $60.
You're gonna pip and dip, right? On which one?
I'm waiting to see what the fuck they're gonna do. I don't think any of them are gonna fucking do anything. I don't think any of them are gonna move at all.
I got $66 on Nas, and I already feel all bad.
Well, by trading indices, honestly, like it is gonna happen. You know what I mean? So I mean, I'm obviously we take losses, right? But I mean, we always get that shit back. But yeah, that's the name of the game. When you're an industry trader, I mean, you know, there's nothing we can do when it comes to news. There's
a gain or loss.
You guys, yeah, there's nothing we can do when it comes to news, guys. Absolutely nothing. You guys are in, yeah, guys. If you're in blue and profit and SPX, you guys didn't close earlier, then go ahead and the global dairy trade price index rises 3.6. What is linked to dairy, guys? What is linked to dairy?
Cancer.
Dairy. What?
CAD. No, NZD.
NZD. Yes, NZD. Exactly.
Horchata.
Horchata with fucking dairy.
Who said horchata?
Hold on. Horchata, you guys are funny.
Inside joke from like last week.
What happened?
Good morning.
Yeah, somebody
Alyssa, so does that mean
They're
that
still
NZD is
coming?
gonna rise?
Wait, what?
Does that mean that the New Zealand currency is going to buy?
Hold on.
Yo, these people be tuned up.
What the fuck am I listening to? Alexa. Hey. Okay, what was it? Sorry.
No, you're good. You read some news for that had to deal with agriculture. So was it positive news or bad news?
Oh no,
I'm in an NZD trade.
Yeah, it was good news. Good news. NZD should be a buy. Yeah.
Okay.
It was really good.
Thank
news.
you.
You're welcome. I think, let me see. Yeah, 3.6%. Yeah. On the dairy trade for NZD. Well, that's good. At least they're not getting fucking torn apart a new asshole by the US. That's amazing. Oh shit. Are you not in class yet? No, I need the class. Oh girl. Oh, you are so lucky I'm on live right now. Dude, you're gonna get marked absent.
No, my thing starts at 9.
At 9?
Yeah.
You don't have that stupid signing thing?
No.
You be lying, dude. You be lying to me. Your teacher be texting me every day. Here, hurry up and bring it back. Yes. Andrea, if you're on here, yes. Why, Nakia? What are they saying in the Gold Cup? What are they saying in Gold Cup?
Guys, if you popped another entry on AU, you should be blue in both.
Shit. Yeah, Gold Cup. Yeah, we all call everything for a buy because it was a buy. The news, like I said, we can't help when news drops. Bye, Janelle. Might need to move it. Christian. No, I don't do pairs. Nope, I don't do pairs. I'd rather take a loss. Have a great work, Naz.
You'd rather take that loss.
Mad. Yeah, Naz, guys, I said news. It happens, man. You industry traders, you gotta expect it. You know what I mean?
I'm honestly like a little bit of pipping and dipping on Naz. I'm
Yeah?
getting like $5 profits. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Pippin dip, guys. How the fuck you Pippin and dipping? That shit has not moved. How the fuck you Pippin?
I'm like watching that shit. Okay, I'm like right there, like waiting for it to go to
She's on like the
profit.
30-second.
Yeah, it took a few too.
You guys are Pippin and dipping?
I did already. I took the profits like twice.
That's not Pippin dip. I've been negative the whole fucking time.
Hey, Alyssa, whenever you have some time, I'm on the eastern side, so I know it's pretty early over there. It's about like 11 here. Is it possible that you could like, I guess, I don't know if you want to do like a meeting or just like a one-on-one about pipping and dipping? Because I understand what it is, but as far as in how to like read to go into a pip and dip.
Yeah, of course.
Same, I agree with him. I agree with him.
Yeah.
I think it should be like a team meeting.
You should do it on your demo.
Oh my God, I'm gonna focus on Naz. Yeah, definitely we can go ahead and do that for sure. Are you on my team on Tradera by any chance?
No, I haven't switched over or anything yet. 'Cause I literally just got in like last week. So I'm like confused about all this stuff and everything. So I'm still like trying to learn and see what's going on.
Okay, go ahead and send me a direct message on Telegram, and then we'll set it up.
Hey,
okay,
Alyssa,
thank you.
Which one's your team?
What?
Which one's your team?
What team?
What's your team called?
Oh, Independent Mommy's Baggy. Like it
Oh,
all,
okay.
girl. Ain't shit changed. Ain't shit.
I was gonna say I am in the group message though, the new one though, the new one that you just created. So I'm still there.
All right, cool. Yo, fucking Naz. Yo, Naz is you fucking bitch. Oh, fuck.
Just pip and dip.
I was pipping dipping on the buy.
Same.
Yeah, we're fucked. But yeah. Just go ahead and private message me. I'm done trading for the day. I'm done.
Okay, just give
It
me some
looks like
time. I'm
ain't
at
nobody
work right
getting
now.
Starbucks next week.
Yeah, for real. For real.
I'm gonna do it when I get off of work. I just keep on going in and out the car and like in and out of the Zoom and everything. So it's like hard for me to do everything.
Don't worry about it.
But I will get at you though.
Yeah, sounds good. Go ahead and let me know. I'll be here. I ain't going nowhere. Let's see. Let's see what SPX is doing. A whole lot of fucking nothing, guys. US 30. Shut up, Christian. Yeah, US 30 ain't doing shit. Either it's Germany 30. Yeah, like at UK, it's I mean, obviously retesting what I wanted to do, but ain't doing shit either. Yes. Yeah, guys, I think all indices are done. Ain't nobody doing shit. They're saying US is trying to fucking take over. Fuck that. They ain't doing nothing. Jack Dilly fucking squat. Oh shit. My count is done. Gonzos.
How lovely, huh? They all stopped moving.
Yeah, really. Seriously. Like, dude, we had a good day yesterday, y'all. We could have just fucking bagged it again today, but no. Drop the news as fucking always, right in the middle of a session.
We robbed them on
Well,
Friday.
we're all about growing accounts, so now we can participate.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're fucking blowing another account, fucking Naz news. God damn it. It's always SPS and Naz and news drops. We're all fucked. Yeah, we did rob them on Friday though. Hell yeah, we got that money back.
How much did you guys profit on Friday?
Oh my god, a couple of people literally got everything plus, everything and more. Some people broke even. Some people were like maybe a couple dollars negative throughout their whole account. Yeah, so we got all that shit back. But oh, see, Meg, you profit over 200. Yeah, you see, for pipping and dipping. I wish you could do that now, but
that was all pipping and dipping.
Yeah, that 250 profit Friday after we lost all the fucking money, we got it right back. Yeah. We can't do that shit today, guys. I'm sorry. There's no pippin' dipping on these fucking candles.
I'm like, yeah, I was watching you on Friday, but I couldn't trade because my account was too small. So I'm like, yesterday, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna deposit so I can trade with Alyssa.
Yeah, girl. This indices ain't no joke.
Indices are so good on like Thursdays and Fridays.
Friday mornings. Except for when news happens. Yesterday, my ass got greedy and had to just stop. Oh my god, dude. Honestly, like my thing is, I don't pip and dip as much as I should. My time is she was waiting for me. Yes. When my time is done trading, that's it. I don't look at the thing anymore. Yeah. Come on, Nas. Come on. Who's still in for a buy for Nas? Who's pipping and dipping on Nas? I'm holding. I don't get my fucking mad. Once she breaks that fucking zone, guys, pip and fucking dip. We ain't leaving this fucking computer until we're fucking get our money back. I don't care if we do another 7-hour fucking live session. We're gonna hop.
I'm gonna wait for you to start pipping and dipping again.
Right? We're gonna hop on the fucking live session, high frequency, and then we're gonna make money there. Okay? We're gonna learn in the demo there from none of the live yet, and then we're gonna fucking come back and fucking handle fucking Nas. Fuck that. We're not leaving these fucking charts until we get our fucking money back. I don't give a fuck. Like negative. I'm not losing money.
They're robbing us back.
Yeah, I'm not losing money today.
Alyssa over here on that Ocean's 11 tip.
Right? Seriously. Who's about to fucking run this bitch? No, hell no. Oh, Pilar. Yeah, guys. No, fuck no. I lost you guys money today. Nah, we getting that shit back. Nope. I don't care if I gotta stay here 24/7. Everybody, all the new people that need to be onboarded, y'all can fucking wait. Devon, you could wait until I fucking get my people money back. We are not onboarding anybody today. We're gonna get this shit. Oh, Meg. Navita, we'll get that shit back. Girl, you have more in your account than I do. Don't even true. I just completely screwed up the thing.
Huh?
I swear I'll make like $20 and then I lose $20. I'll make $20 and I'll lose it again.
I think it's really as fuck though.
So everybody on my team's gotta have a trading plan. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure everything out today. Thanks, Dad. But whether it was me or not, we still getting this bitch back. Like, no, I'm not a loser. I do not lose, and we're gonna get this money. Matt, to pip in that, honestly, you can have whatever in your account. It's per candle, right? It's per candle. Yes, guys, we gonna get this shit. We gonna get it. She's a hurry up though. Oh, Ad, you're so sweet. You got this. U.S. Trade Representatives. Oh my God. There we go. Fucking more news. That's amazing. Hold on, guys. Breaking news, of course. Breaking fucking news. Awesome. U.S. Trade Representative, however the fuck you pronounce her name, criticizes WTO report on China tech and high. U.S. rebooks WTO claims on U.S. tariffs on China earlier today. The WTO said that the U.S. involved trade rules with tariffs on China. The ruling refers to the tariffs imposed on Chinese goods in 2018. And WTO said in his report that the U.S. had not met its burden of demonstrating that the measures of okay. Yeah, that's negative news, guys. I just hope really we focus on consolidation drop. Oh, hold on. Ruling on China tariffs, the WTO completely inadequate to stop China's technology practices. Citizens WTO report on China and technology, basically intellectual property. Basically, we're WTO provides no remedy for Chinese. U.S. must be allowed to defend itself against unfair trade practices. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're screwed, guys. There's nobody's gonna be trading it now. Everybody's pulling out their trades and they're leaving it. That's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Banks and brokers are not trading. We can't even pick and dip, guys. We can't even pick and dip. It's a halted market. Yeah, you see that? Look at it. Halted. Stop. Skirt. In your brakes, in your tracks. We ain't moving nowhere. Literally. We ain't moving nowhere. See US 30. See Nikki. Nikki did good. Ooh. Oh man, yeah, we can't pip and dip, guys. We got too many dojis going on. Damn, but yeah. Please give me back my money. Oh. Think about it. Let's see. Oil. Let me actually see. We were in oil, earlier. AUD. What's going on, AUD, Christian? Oh yeah, oil. Yeah. Good luck with that. Look at oil. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Yep. Yeah. Guys, we ain't doing absolutely nada today. All right, guys. It's a wrap. I'll probably pip and dip on the sell on SPX right now. I'm actually you close your profit? Okay. Oh, thanks, girl. Stop lying. Thanks, Stephanie. AU is so good. Okay, for sure. Okay. Period. We could get back in AU. Oh, wait. You're greedy. Nakia, don't do it. The market was stripping on London too? Really? People these days. We just want to make money. We just want to make money. Everything I lost last night, I got back plus more. Okay, cool. Awesome. You guys are so awesome. I love you guys. Dude, Naz needs to break this bitch because we need to fucking hop in this fucking buy. And we're gonna fucking pip and dip on this fucking buy, even if we have to fucking wait. Like, she needs to figure herself out, yo. 8:28. I'm hungry. I know, Chloe. Me too. Oh, yo, Naz swallowed my account. Oh yeah, who's gonna buy for Naz? Who's gonna buy for Naz? Who's gonna buy for for SPX? Does anybody still wanna buy for SPX or sell? Buy for SPX? Okay.
I took a buy on my demo and Nas is blue, but I'm not putting it in my real account.
Yeah, no, don't. Oh, you entered down here, huh? Okay, guys. All right, it's gonna take a while for us to get back to the top, but once we get to the top, dude, fuck no, we entering. Let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We could probably hit at least TP1 by 12. TP1 by 12, guys. At least we'll get maybe, half the money, or maybe we'll, break even. Break even. Let's see what happens. So nothing on SPX, right? Nope. Lewis, nothing. I mean, once she breaks, right? But we need her to break. We need her to really, break. You know what I mean? Like, break and retest and then shoot up. But she's just been consolidating the whole time. So go on a buy on Nas. Yeah, but wait. We need extra confirmation, especially the way she's acting today. She needs to break the trend line, right, of the downtrend. And then she needs to go ahead and break the buy zone again, retest it, and we're not entering until she actually surpassed this one right here. So wait. Let's see, Hakanashis. Yes, let's go.
So we're not entering anything on NAS right now, Alyssa?
I mean, if you guys want, you can. You guys can put a dip on this blue candle. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because my account is already fucked. So I need to be very, very safe and cautious on what we do.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just going to wait too.
Okay.
I'm going to jump in when you do.
Okay, cool. All right, let me check Bloomberg. Let me see if there's any update on the Chinese news. Yeah, definitely. My oil buy profit on demo. Oh, Nakia, yes, girl. Same shit. All right, cool. As long as we got.
Yeah, Nas is so confused. She was just busting in demo and then she went the other way.
Yeah, she's fucking tripping, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Regardless of anything going on right now. Thank you, Mr. Brown. Pilar, you're so welcome. You guys are so welcome. I just don't like to lose. I don't like to lose, especially money. There we go. Come on, Nas. Fuck, just give us an energy. Just give us like a bump. That sounded so wrong. But y'all know what I mean. Just give us like a little you know what I mean? Just give us a fucking
bump.
Yeah.
What?
I know.
I mean, I feel it.
Alyssa, I literally just checked in one of my demo accounts just to see what trades were open, and I had a Jira 30 open and was literally like $200 in profit.
Dude, I love Germany 30, but that bitch ain't moving either. Yeah, Germany 30 is my bitch. Oh, I love Germany 30. Naz, honestly, was my girl until I met Germany 30, and I love Germany 30. But Germany 30, I trade like me, if I did really good on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll trade her Thursday and Friday. Yeah. All right, there goes Naz, guys. Come on, fuck, let's go. I knew she needs to be obviously she's a buy for the rest of the day, but fuck, she needs to continue this trend, and we're gonna really start over. So guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. How are you? We're gonna go in for a buy on Naz. Like, I used to love Naz. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, and now Naz is just completely different. Like, after that drop, she was just like, after that massive sell-off 2 weeks ago, she just hasn't been the same. On demo, like hey girl, don't matter though. You still made it though, right? Demo or not. All right, guys. SPX is right there too, guys. We're about to start all over, guys. Fuck that. You're getting our money back. Yeah, nope. Yeah, guys, let's try to flip our accounts right now. I got 30 minutes until my high frequency trade. A call. Oh. Yeah, from Apple. Yeah, Naz got beat up by her older brother, Apple, for sure. Childhood drama. Yeah. Oh man, she was funny. And SPX is a baby. She just follows en route, right? Oh man, the 3 siblings.
Hey, so are we pipping and dipping on ass, or are we staying in a buy?
Both. We're in a buy right now. If you're in a, oh fuck yeah. Oh, we're in profit, huh? All right, guys. All right. Let's go. Oh fuck yeah. Oh my god. Hallelujah. Who's in a buy for Naz? If you guys want, go ahead and pip and dip, right? Wait for the next one though. We have 50 seconds left on this one, guys. Let's do it. We got 30 minutes to pip and fucking dip.
You said it was a buy, correct?
Yeah. Yep. Let's wait, guys. And every candle, right? If it's red, sell. If it's green, buy. Red, sell. Or you can just wait, right? After the red, you enter the green, right? And then when you see a red candle, you close, right? So there's 2 different ways to go ahead and pip and dip, right? But guys, be fast about it. Don't hold for $1. Don't hold for $2. When you pip and dip, there's no I'm gonna wait for $1. It's more like right when the candle takes off, right? And you're in profit, close. Okay?
I am so freaking sad right now.
Why? What'd you do?
I don't even have enough money in my account right now to pip and dip on Naz.
No, pip and dip on SPX.
I can't, and it on my account it won't let me get on SPX.
Why?
I don't know. It just doesn't let me trade that. Like, I mean, I have it as an option, but it doesn't let me trade it.
Because of your money or just because of your account? In general.
I don't know, maybe because of my money, but I mean, I trade Naz all the time, even when I have like, you know what I'm saying, 50 or even $7.
How much money do you have?
It's $20 right now.
And you
Well, Naz, I don't think Naz is gonna let you with $20 because I tried it before.
You can't trade SPX.
I have 40 in my account. Can I trade SPX?
What happened?
I have 40 in my account. Can I trade SPX? Well, pip and dip.
Yep.
Hey, Alyssa, so if the candle turns red, do we pip and dip for a sell now?
Yep, exactly. Okay. Yeah, guys.
Okay.
But remember, you're not aiming for a particular profit, right? It's just literally stay next to your phone and pip and dip. Oh, fuck. Yo. Fire! That's just whack, dude. I was in profit of like $15 and it kicked me out negative 22. On Naz. It said invalid some shit.
Oh my god. You know what happened to me that made me lose
same here.
You too?
My biggest loss, the trade got disabled, so it didn't let me pull out with profit.
What? What the fuck?
That happens to me sometimes. Like, I'll be with Alyssa and I'll be trying to pull out and it won't let me.
Yeah, it'd be acting dumb
some
sometimes.
shit right now. And then I'm like, where the fuck did my trade go? And like, I was literally up $15, and now it closed me out negative 22. Like, what?
Yeah, girl, that happened to me. I was at work and I was in profit $70, and when I pulled out, I lost like $100 some. I was so mad.
What the fuck, dude? What fuck? Literally, well, back to $40. There goes my fucking account, guys. Fuck, dude. So I was like, I'm gonna pip and dip right now. Fuck this shit.
SPX, pip and dip it.
Yep, exactly. 5 minute. All right, guys, we're going to fuck Naz. We're gonna go pip and dip on SPX. All right, let's see. We got 2 minutes left. No, my free margin. I was solid on my free margin. Yes, and she has exactly, girl. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, and it's still a buy, guys. On your phone, if you guys have that that line, the 100, the MA, everything's above it. So.
Good morning. This is School UCLA. My name is Monique. How can I assist you?
Oh, she at work.
Okay.
Yeah, right. You go on, girl, with your best self.
So, Alyssa, what would you suggest I do? Could I pip and dip on anything but like the $20? I just tried SPX and it wouldn't allow me to get in on that one either.
Let's see. How much do I have in my account? Yeah, I have 39. You have. What is your spread on SPX? Wait, what do you have?
FX choice.
That's why FX choice SPX is NAS, like Hugo's way. That's why you can't get on SPX.
Yeah, SPX is massive.
Yeah, SPX is like the NAS US 30 of FX choice. And NAS and US 30 run smaller, and the profit is less on FX choice than it is on Hugo's way or KOT.
Yeah, to get decent on NAS, you need like a 0.05.
Yeah, it's opposite. So NAS is like SPX on KOT and Hugo's way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have to pip and dip on NAS, and it's not letting you get in NAS?
No.
Okay, we gotta find you UK 100.
Okay, let me try.
UK 100.
If not, and you really can't do anything, you can do JPN.
Yeah, you can pip and dip on gold too. Guys, keep your lot size 10 cents if you are trying to pip and dip, okay? If you have a small account. Let's see if you can pip and dip on UK, guys.
You hop in SPX here, right? You're not pipping and dipping on it yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, see, because there's not even my problem is about pip and dipping right now, guys, is like there's not even a legit trend to really pip and dip on. Like, you know, like who was pipping and dipping on Friday with me, right? Remember how the trend was literally like a solid uptrend? This is ours, like a squiggly uptrend, but like a pip and dip was like this kind of trend, right? If we do that now, there is no trends. You know what I mean? Like we're just gonna be pip and dipping in the consolidation. They're like, when you pip and dip, you want to uptrend. That's my only issue right now about pip and dipping.
And it's better when the market's more volatile when you're pipping and dipping, right?
Oh yeah, because we're gonna sit here on like a candle. Like, look at how small this candle is. I mean, look at how like this line, you know what I mean? Like, and then the doji's like, you know, it's kind of like, do we really want to pip and dip, or should we just fucking take our chances and wait for tomorrow to, you know, figure it out?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, because see how small the candles are getting? It's like at this point, is it even fucking worth it? Yeah, guys, I think we took 2 losses today, massive losses again from the news. AUD, well, it's 2 out of 4, guys. Took 2 losses and gained 2 profits. For those of you who entered gold and AUD. But yeah, indices wise, just clean today.
No losses, just lessons.
Yeah. We gotta find a better app to use news information. we need something that's gonna drop news ASAP. But yeah, let me see what's going on. Yeah, so we got 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what's going on with this one. I mean, the thing with this one is you do have an M, right? And it is a double top. We can't enter here and get this profit, but need ours will enter. Oh my God, we'll enter here, right? We can do that and wait, so at least we get some pips. But then we're gonna be sitting here for fucking hours for like $5. Like, to me, it just doesn't make any sense, right? It just doesn't make any sense.
Yes, we're still in AU.
So let's see. Let's see what she does on this candle. If she literally comes down here, then we'll go ahead and we'll sell it real quick. So at least we'll get a couple of bucks. But let's hope she moves fast and not so fucking like a fucking turtle.
Hey, Alyssa, what tells you if it's going into a sell or a buy? Do you think you can explain that real quick?
What do you mean, what tells you?
Like, how can you tell if it's a sell or a buy?
Multiple ways. By candles, right? By how the candles are, whether it's like a doji, whether it's an engulfing candle, whether it's a reversal pattern candle, whether it's like, a dragonfly. Like, candle formation is very important. And then trend wise, right? So obviously long trend, if you look at the long trend, it's a buy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know it's a buy, right? But as of right now, obviously it's consolidating because we're going sideways now, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, you just look at it, right? You can't look at it right, like zoomed in this way in the beginning. You literally have to, like, obviously we're on the 5 minute too, right? So say you go 30 minutes, right? You literally have to, dissect the charts before and see, okay, you know what? This was a downtrend, right? It's literally reversing, right? So now we're going to an uptrend. So now it's an uptrend, right? Bye, Matt. We'll go ahead and get your money back tomorrow. And then yes, I will see you on the call for our team right now. You know what I mean? So we know it's an uptrend, right? So we already know it's an uptrend. It's as simple as that, right? But it's where the market is at right now, this very moment. You want to know, right? And where's it at right now? Consolidation.
Yeah.
Right? Like, that's just, even overnight. All this was from overnight. Like, it was, a big move in the long run, but look at how small these baby candles were.
Yeah.
Right?
Consolidation is good.
Yeah, it was just struggling. It was struggling, right? So, yeah, that's how you could tell, right? It's multiple ways. So, like right now, you can see, you can see the M forming, right? So let's just hold it. Say this is a reversal candle right here. But you see how she literally rejected off the buy zone multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 times. She literally rejected off the zone 5 times, right? So this is an indication that we can go ahead and get in a sell right now, right? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get a sell on SPX. I'm gonna call it if you guys want to join me. I have nothing to lose, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell SPX if you guys can. I'm gonna go ahead and pop multiple entries. My spread's pretty high though, to be honest with you. On Hugo's way, mine's 100. But
how do you check the spread?
Okay, when you go to your MT4 your quote page, instead of it being simple on the top, you're gonna go to advanced.
Oh, okay.
And then right here, you're gonna see obviously all your pairs, the spreads, and then the lowest for the days and the highs for the days. Okay, yours is 99, Wendy. Okay. There's an M on NAS as well. Okay, let me see. Hold on.
Mine's at 50.
Yours at 50? Oh, you're fucking lucky. Okay, yeah. Look at here is the M I was telling you about earlier, right, guys? Remember how it was an irregular M or irregular W earlier? It's literally good eye. It's an M forming here, right? So where are you gonna enter? When it breaks here, right? When it breaks the trend line here, right? So you could catch these pips. Okay, guys. Do that cricket. Oh my God. Okay, there it goes. Oh my Lord, it's a hot mess today. Hot mess today. There you go. My M is a little funky, but don't judge me. So when it breaks this middle, guys, you guys go ahead and sell it. Okay. Pip and dip off that sell. Let me see. Hakanashi's for a, yeah, there it is. There it is. Oh, not UK. Hold on. All right.
How's your sell looking?
Negative 99 cents.
You already brushed your teeth?
Let's go.
There's no teeth.
Push. Guys, we got like 12 minutes from the live HFX.
What do you mean?
Everybody that's on my Tradera team, everybody has pocket option, right? Everybody has pocket option. I'm gonna have a team meeting, go over everything, but download or go to your.
I don't have pocket option.
Okay. What do you have?
PocketOptions.com, family.
I don't have like none of them.
Okay, just go to. Are you on my team?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, under Tristan's name, but yeah, your team, of course, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and get Pocket Options. Go to www.pocketoption.com. Open up a demo, and at 9 o'clock, we have my partner Ricky. He's hosting the live. He's going to call trades. I want you guys to go ahead and start inputting and practicing that as much as possible. Right? If we have a bad day on the charts due to news, we could definitely make it up tenfold on the other side, right? We can make it up so fast. It's super ridiculous. We're going to gain so much money, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and whoever DM me personally if you guys want to join now on my team, and then we'll get you signed up so I could get you on that call ASAP, right? But everybody here
How
should
do I
have
DM you?
option. What?
How do I DM you? Telegram?
Yeah, Telegram. Yeah, hit me up on Telegram or Instagram, and then I'll try to get to everybody as soon as possible. For that.
Shit, what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is i.m.w. .s and it should pop up. Found it? Okay.
I'm gonna also DM you about the Pippin dip and everything. Like I said, as soon as I get off of work, it'll probably be like 12 o'clock your time.
Turn on to Austin Street, then in 250 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
You should be. Hold on, let me add you to the chat there right now. Hold on. I thought I added you last night. Let me see. Add subscribers. Hey. Oh my God, wait, yeah, you are. You're in the Independent Mommies chat. Let me see, subscribers. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, you are. You're good. No. Same one. No,
Guys, take profit on AU.
Take profit on AU, guys. Take profit on AU. Is this Tuesday? Yeah. All right, guys. I'm pinning it in the chats. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, my team should have pocket option, and then everybody who is literally guys, I'm popping multiple entries on SPX and I'm laying it right out. I'm on a sell. I'm laying it right out to gain some money back. I'm only negative 20 cents. So if you guys want to do the same thing, you can. I have nothing to lose. Like, she's breaking, and this is it. This is it. This is it. Let's go. Let's catch those legs. Let's catch those legs. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a TP, but keep an eye out for it. TP is going to be 3405, guys. 3405 for a sell. 3505 SPX. 3505. At least we'll get a little back today instead of leaving here with nothing, right? 3505 is SPX. Sell it. Put multiple entries in there and just fucking let it ride out, right?
Hey, Alyssa. It's 3405.
Yeah, is it 34 or 35?
Oh, 34.
You said two different ones.
3405. 3405. Oh my God, sorry. Jeez, 3405. All right, guys.
Again, just in case, everyone take profit on AU.
All right, take profit, guys. Everybody should take profit on gold, and then everybody should take profit now on AU. My bad when it came to NAS and SPX, guys. It's the fucking name of the game. Sometimes I wish I would have had, definitely known earlier. But let's try to at least get some bags on SPX, right? And then I'm going to go throughout the day, try to see if I could have some really good setups on indices, but we all know obviously today's a shit day, so it's probably not going to have a lot of movement. But yeah, let's go and hop on the high frequency chat. Please download Pocket Option and put it on your web browser, okay? Save it. And then while you guys are on the chat, please go ahead and input everything he says. It's live, right? So make sure if you guys want, you can go and obviously ask questions, DM him, whatever. And then make sure you guys listen, right? Because I want all of us to go ahead. Obviously, when we have a bad day like today, like I said, we can make it up over there and fucking, a lot more, right? So I definitely want everybody to kind of maneuver more towards that way, but still be able to read charts, right? Period. I need everybody on my team to do both, okay? But anyways, I will see you guys on the chats. I will keep you guys updated on a team meeting today. Let me just onboard the new people right now. Let me get them over to the high frequency. And then maybe when the market closes from 1 to 3, we can go ahead and have a team meeting and literally dissect the whole Tradera website and shit like that. All right, got it?
Hey, Alyssa, I DM'd you on Instagram. Can you send me the link to the group, please?
Yep, got
Thank
it.
you.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, guys, have any questions? DM me, text me, and I will see you guys right now in the thingamajigger. All right, you guys got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. All right, bye, guys. Oh, we bust on SPX. Who's in SPX? Who's in SPX?
Me.
I didn't want to hang up because I want us to make money. I'm like, I want us to make money. Oh my God.
Hey, Alyssa.
What?
Are you funding your HFX for today?
Yeah, I want to. Yeah, I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Buy had. Yeah, I'm hoping. That I have fucking time to do that shit.
Okay, solid.
But yeah. I definitely want to hop on the team meeting and definitely see if we could play with it for like at least 30 minutes to an hour, and everybody kind of ask questions. And we all like get to know it together.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm holding SPX. I'm holding SPX until TP3. I mean TP. Yeah, I'm holding SPX until TP, guys. Okay. The amount you could put in a minimum of $50.
What's the TP on SPX? My bad.
Don't know. Oh, 3405. Yeah, 3405. $34.05. All right, you guys got it? Okay, I'm gonna hop off and I will see you guys. I will see you guys in the chat. Ciao, guys.
Thanks, Alyssa.
Bye.